ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all of you to India Energy Conclave 2021 and SEAM National Energy Management Awards 2020. We all know that this pandemic has been pushing us to explore various platforms, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you the 6th edition of SEAM Awards on a virtual platform. So be with us and experience this virtual award function with SEAM Awards 2020. Before we start, let us observe a few seconds of silence in the reverence to the multitude of departed souls due to current pandemic and a silent prayer to the Almighty for the success of this program. Before we get into the formal function, we have many distinguished souls who have contributed to success of SEAM so far. Nobel laureate Dr. Jayant Sathe was such a distinguished beneficiary of SEAM who worked with the international programs. It is really unfortunate that he is not among us now. It will be befitting on this occasion to pay tribute to his memories. Before getting into the glimpse of the tribute, I call upon Dr. C. Jayaraman, our former General Secretary, who was very fortunate to work closely with Dr. Sathe. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon. I had the opportunity to work with Dr. Jayant Anand Sathe during my tenure in Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory as visiting Fulbright Nehru Environmental Leadership Scholar during Jan-May 2010. A loving character and always very kind, Jayant had a strong passion for science and people. Society of Energy Engineers and Managers, SEAM, is highly indebted to Dr. Jayant for the support and guidance he provided to us. Jayant was the keynote speaker for the 4th Triennial International Workshop on Evolving Energy Models in Emerging Economies post-COP21 at Ahmedabad, India from 12 to 14 December 2016. This program was organized jointly by SEAM and the Center for Science Technology of the Non-Aligned and Other Developing Countries, known as NAM S&T Center, New Delhi. Jayant was the guest of honor for the SEAM National Energy Management Award, SNEMA 2017, held at Ahmedabad on 26 May 2017. Jayant was the guest editor of the SEAM Quarterly Magazine, Energy Efficiency Manager, for the July-September 2013 issue that discussed energy efficiency and renewable energy technologies and practice. He also contributed articles to the magazine on demand-side management opportunities in India in the April-June 2010 issue and on understanding climate change to limit atmospheric temperature increase and impact on utilities in the October-December 2016 issue. Dr. Jayant Sathe was employed at Lawrence Berkeley National Lab as a senior scientist and strategic advisor. He was the founder of the International Energy Studies Group. He was a visiting professor at UC Berkeley and adjunct professor at University of San Francisco and also at Stanford University. Jayant has published more than 250 articles, books and book chapters and reports in major energy and environmental journals. He has been a coordinating lead author of the 12 publications of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, since 1990 and a recipient of the prestigious 2007 IPCC Nobel Peace Prize. He is also the recipient of the 2011 Distinguished Alumnus Award from IIT Bombay. Jayant's interest focused on research, modeling and policy analysis of climate change mitigation, energy efficiency standards, DSM programs, building energy use including cool roofs, power and forest sector analysis, development of global country-specific models for the evaluation of costs and also solar activities. Dr. Sathe initiated the DSM activities in Mumbai and Delhi from 2007 to 2010 and expanded the DSM programs to 12 states in India. Jayant completed his BTech honors degree from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, and PhD from the University of California, Irvine. Jayant Anand Sathe was born on January 15, 1948 and passed away on September 11, 2020. We from SEAM pay homage to this great scientist and loving human being. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Jayaraman, for sharing all the memories and experience with Dr. Sathe. Now let's have a look at the video, the tribute to Dr. Sathe. we get into the formal function of SEAM Awards 2020, it's my pleasure to welcome and invite all the dignitaries to this function. I invite Dr. Padu Padmanabhan, former Senior Advisor, USAID, Dr. Sarkar, Senior Energy Specialist, World Bank, Mr. R.K. Rai, Secretary, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Professor Ma Dingping, Secretary General, CCRES, Mr. M.C. Jain, President, SEAM, Dr. C.S. Asad, General Secretary, SEAM, Mr. Jayakumar, Award Committee Chairman, Mr. U.V.K. Rao, former President, Dr. Jayaraman, former General Secretary, and Mrs. Gayatri Nair, Chief of Jury to the function. Once again, it's my pleasure to welcome all the dignitaries. I welcome you all. And now we are moving into the formal function of SEAM Awards 2020. Now I call upon our General Secretary, Dr. C.S. Asad, for the welcome speech. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon. Thank you to each and every one of you for joining us at India Energy Conclave 2021 and 6th edition of SEAM National Energy Management Award 2020. The event in its physical format was scheduled last year, but as you know, due to pandemic, we were forced to delay and adopt the present digital format. Before we get started, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our chief guest and distinguished energy experts who have accepted our invitation to make their gracious presence at this event. Our chief guest, Mr. P.S. Padmanabhan, needs no introduction to energy efficiency professionals. During his long tenure with the World Bank and USAID, he made significant contribution to energy efficiency. Besides him, we are blessed to have company of luminaries like Mr. R.K. Rai, Secretary, Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Dr. Ashok Sarkar, Energy Expert, World Bank, Mr. Ma Dingping, Energy Expert from China. I am sure that all of us will benefit from their wide experience and in-depth knowledge. Friends, as you know, SEAM National Energy Management Award made a humble beginning in 2014. With support of industry, corporate, and energy enthusiasts, it has been established as the most coveted award in the energy efficiency circle. This award recognizes the best effort of various sectors to improve energy efficiency and thereby supporting India's journey towards climate change mitigation and sustainable development. We are happy to share that in spite of economic slowdown, devastation by pandemic, we got overwhelming response from all over the country. We got more than 60 nominations from all sectors. I congratulate all the award winners for achieving these prestigious awards. These awards can be displayed in the management chambers as a testimony of your toil in boiler rooms, shop floors, and as a commitment to energy conservation. For our silver and gold award winners, there will be an opportunity to change the color of award next year. I want to reiterate that energy conservation is a journey, and the efforts of award winners will help India become an energy efficient nation. Last but not the least, it's my duty to appreciate the sincere efforts of all for the successful event. I am especially thankful to Mr. U.V.K. Rao, our ex-president, Mr. C. Jayaraman, our ex-general secretary, G. Krishna Kumar, Chief Operating Officer, SEAM, Ms. Saranya, SEAM Headquarter, our all executive body members and student volunteers. Friends, last year was a very difficult year, and we lost one of our major scientists, Mr. Jayant Satay. Mr. Jayant Satay was part of the Nobel Prize winner team of Mr. R.K. Pachauri. He made a significant contribution to climate change mitigation. One part of our program is a tribute to that great scientist. Once again, I congratulate all the award winners and thanks all the delegates for joining this session. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Dr. C.S. Asad. Now, I call upon our chairman, Mr. Jayakumar, to give a specific introduction about SEAM Awards. Welcome, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Every year we used to meet probably at New Delhi with a grand ceremony to celebrate your success in energy conservation with all dignitaries and with a big gathering of energy experts from different parts of our country. This may be a new beginning. Past 1 year or more provided us lots of insights about life, about business, about health, and about prosperity in challenging times. Nothing lasts forever. This too shall pass. When we had our first meeting of SNEMA 2020, we were not sure of its real outcome and other complexities associated with award nomination, primary assessment, evaluation, and the whole process of finalizing the awards. But we are happy with the overwhelming response we got from the industry. It shows the value and importance of such a premium award. Once again, thank you one and all for your active participation and support. The journey was not so simple. Hundreds of applications, primary evaluation, and collecting detailed information and supporting documents, discussions and clarifications from participants, evaluation and award nominations by jury, awards finalization and announcement. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to award jury, which includes Ms. Gayatri Nair, former Chief Engineer, Kerala State Electricity Board, Mr. C. Jayaraman, former Senior Manager, BPCL Kochi, Mr. C.S. Asad, General Secretary and former AGM, BSNL. Their immense support and dedicated activities helped us to complete the evaluation process on time and select the best performers based on your achievements. I would like to also thank Mr. G. Krishnakumar, Chief Operating Officer of SEAM, for coordinating the entire process with the support of SEAM staff members within the stipulated time frame. Entire digitization works of SNEMA is being done by a team of professionals from Big Brand, a creative production company from Kerala. I'm sure next few hours you will be experiencing SNEMA in its new digital format. It is great to realize that many of you have achieved superior performance in energy conservation during the past few years and received many such awards from Indian industrial associations, state designated agencies, and Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Most of the organizations have systematic energy monitoring and review mechanism, effective training needs analysis and structured training programs, periodic energy audits, and need-based specialized audits, effective use of alternative fuels and raw materials, newer ways of water conservation, rainwater harvesting, renewable energy, which includes solar, wind, biomass, and others. Many such organizations used to observe December 14th as National Energy Conservation Day and have conducted various mass awareness campaigns. My sincere appreciations to all the award winners and congratulating you all for your contributions to improve energy performance of your organization and supported our country and globe at large for bringing down carbon footprints and emissions. Thank you one and all for your gracious presence. Thank you all dignitaries for accepting our request to attend this function. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jayakumar, and I'm sure that all the viewers by now have got a better picture of SEAM Awards 2020. Thank you so much. Now, I call upon our President, Mr. M.C. Jain, for Presidential Address. Welcome, sir.
Shri Padhu Padmanabhan, our chief guest of the day, distinguished guests Mr. Ma Ding Ping, Mr. Ashok Sarkar, Mr. R.K. Rai, my colleagues in SEAM, award winners and elite audience. I am thrilled to address our first ever online award function. I am overwhelmed by the enthusiastic response from energy fraternity. The nation and the world are facing unprecedented difficulties posed by the pandemic. If we do not act now on climate change challenges that will grow into much more disastrous situation. It is in this background that the energy efficiency and energy management assume paramount importance. Every element of our economy has to be conscious and be acting on this vital aspect. Rules and mandates alone will not be able to produce all the segments to this awareness. This is why SEAM has devised this mechanism of awards to enthuse people to adopt energy management principles in their sphere of activities. Started 6 years back, its growth year on year shows that the SEAM National Energy Management Award is serving its purpose of popularizing the concept. We congratulate all the winners and wish that your success will motivate many others. I wish those who are not already aspirants in this audience will be participating as contestants. And those in the audience can join SEAM to strengthen its efforts in helping the nation in its energy transformation journey. We are glad to confer a Lifetime Achievement Award to a great personality who was instrumental in molding many initiatives of the nation in reaching the stage so far achieved in energy efficiency. Mr. Padhu has graciously agreed to address the gathering too. I express my gratitude to him. With these words, I wish this event be another milestone in SEAM's effort to contribute to the nation green progress. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mr. Jain, for your wonderful words. Now, we are getting into the award ceremony. Before we go to the different aspect of awards, we have one Lifetime Contribution Award. SEAM Lifetime Contribution Award in Energy field is conferred to a very senior thespian who have devoted their whole life to the cause of promoting sustainable energy practices in the country and the world. This time, we are honored to select such an eminent personality in the field to be conferred this award. I invite Mr. Dr. Ashok Sarkar, Senior Energy Specialist, World Bank, for announcing Lifetime Contribution Award. Welcome, sir.
On behalf of the Society of Energy Engineers and Energy Managers in India, I feel privileged and I'm delighted to honor Mr. S. Padhu Padmanabhan with the SEAM Lifetime Contribution Award 2020. Padhu, as he is well known amongst us as friends, is a very well-known personality in the energy efficiency field in India and in other countries. He has been the recipient of several international and national awards in the energy management and efficiency area. He's a former program director of the South Asia Regional Initiative for Energy and a senior energy advisor in the USAID's bilateral program in India. He served in the World Bank in Washington, D.C. as an alternative energy specialist and was very recently a visiting fellow with the King Abdullah Petroleum Studies and Research Center in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Padmanabhan is also presently authoring a non-fictional book to be published later this year titled First Fuel, India's Energy Efficiency Journey. Once again, I congratulate Padhu and wish him all the best for his future endeavors in the area of clean energy and energy efficiency. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Ashok Sarkar, for announcing our winner, and congratulations to Dr. Padu Padmanabhan for your Lifetime Contribution Award. Now I invite Dr. Padu Padmanabhan to speak up a few words. Please, sir.
Good afternoon. I'm honored and delighted to receive the SEAM Lifetime Achievement Award in Energy Management 2020. The honor is greater in receiving it at the virtual hands of Dr. Ashok Sarkar, who has been taking the lead in mainstreaming energy efficiency investments and programs at the World Bank over the past decade and more. I would like to congratulate the 60 and odd winners of the awards at this event. I understand that many of the leading Indian corporates, as well as state development agencies, commercial facilities, and individuals have received the award. It speaks of the reach and breadth of energy efficiency in this country. I would like to once again thank SEAM for bestowing this honor on me. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Padu Padmanabhan, and once again, congratulations on your big achievement. Now we have SEAM Best Performance Award 2020, and here we start with SEAM Best Performance Award 2020 for Energy Audit Firm category. And for that, I welcome Mr. Kuntal Ghosh Chowdhury, SEAM West Bengal chapter, to announce the SEAM Best Performance Award for Energy Audit Firm category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Best Performance Award, and it goes to Messrs. Siri XRG and Carbon Advisory Service Private Limited, Hyderabad. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Siri XRG and Carbon Advisory Services Private Limited, Hyderabad. Siri XRG and Carbon Advisory Services Private Limited, Hyderabad is one of the premium energy audit firm with clients across India and abroad. They have successfully conducted various audits and helped the clients to achieve and surpass their energy efficiency improvement targets. We have a representative from Siri XRG and Carbon Advisory Services Private Limited. Welcome, sir.
Dear friends, my name is Subramanian from Siri XRG, Hyderabad. And I want to thank the SEAM for choosing us for the National Energy Management Award 2020. During 1920, we showed savings of almost 591 crores to our clients. In fact, this savings were signed by the respective energy managers as part of Farm 2, the action plan. And in addition, recently we have published one case study in that is the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation, where they saved their energy bills to the tune of almost 100 crores per annum, and the load is reduced by almost 38 megawatt, which is 55% energy reduction. This is as per the based on actual bills. So we did before and after the energy audit. Similarly, we recent one of the two textile energy audits. We, as a part of our proposal, we promised 7 to 10% energy savings. In fact, in the actual, they got 33%, and they were very happy. And our mission or the aim of the Siri XRG to show saving of almost 10,000 crores in next 10 years, and also train 10,000 engineers in energy efficiency and climate change. And once again, I thank SEAM for this award. Thank you.
And next we have SEAM Best Performance Awards 2020 for Certified Energy Auditors category. And for that, I welcome the Founder President, SEAM, Dr. Chandramohan Sir, to announce the SEAM Best Performance Award for Certified Energy Auditor category. So please.
Greetings from SEAM. With great pleasure, I announce and present the Best Performance Award, and it goes to Mr. R.K. Jain, New Delhi. Hearty congratulations and best wishes, Mr. Jain.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Mr. R.K. Jain, New Delhi. Mr. R.K. Jain is one of the senior most energy auditors of our country with expertise in power plants. He has served National Thermal Power Corporation for about 3 decades with successful track records before starting energy audit activities. Here we have Mr. R.K. Jain joining us. Welcome, sir.
Thanks a lot to SEAM for shortlisting me for the National Energy Management Award 2020. After professionally spending about 40 years in the energy sector, I have realized that our subject of energy is as precious as spirituality in our day-to-day life because it is present everywhere in the universe every time. Moreover, during present unfortunate pandemic scenario of COVID-19, it attains more importance because the coronavirus is as damaging as an unknown odd harmonic in our electrical energy grid system. As has been established in my techno-literary book, Ishwar Ki Atma Katha, this. Even the so-called God, that is Ishwar, can be expressed in terms of energy through an equation. We all must understand and respect the unique responsibility of being energy auditors, whose professional role is entirely different in comparison to the traditional consultant or any contractor in the energy sector. Whenever I visit a plant for energy audit, I request my technocrat friends that let us consider this event as an energy festival and not energy audit. Meaning thereby, during this period, we will talk of energy, think of energy, and will improve the energy around us. Once again, thanking you all again. Thanks.
And next we have SEAM Best Performance Awards 2020 for Certified Energy Managers category. For that I welcome Mr. S. Arul Mohan, Director, Vodaleft Energy Techniques, our Associate Partner, to announce the SEAM Best Performance Award for Certified Energy Manager category. Sir, please.
Greetings from Vodaleft Energy Techniques. With pleasure, I announce and present the Best Performance Award in the category CEM, and it goes to Mr. Manoj Kumar Jaiswal, Chhattisgarh. Congratulations, Manoj. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Mr. Manoj Kumar Jaiswal, on your victory. Mr. Manoj Kumar Jaiswal is a certified energy manager working as executive engineer with Hasdo Thermal Power Station, Korba, supporting and implementing the organization to improve energy performance. We have Mr. Manoj Kumar Jaiswal joining us. So welcome, sir.
Hello everyone, myself Manoj Jaiswal from Korba, Chhattisgarh. I have been selected for National Energy Management Award 2020. First of all, I would like to thank to SEAM for this award. In the present scenario of global climate change, reduction of carbon emission is quite important, and which is possible with enhancing energy efficiency. I am quite glad to achieve this award. This will further motivate me to do such energy efficiency projects. Thank you.
Now we have SEAM Best Performance Award 2020 for Certified Energy Managers category. For that I welcome Mr. Durga Prasad Mishra, SEAM Odisha chapter, to announce the SEAM Best Performance Award for Certified Energy Manager category. So please.
Greetings from SEAM Odisha chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present Best Performance Award, and it goes to Praveen Chand Kumar Jha from Maharashtra. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Mr. Praveen Kumar Jha. Mr. Praveen Kumar is a certified energy manager working as junior works manager with Ordnance Factory, Varangan and supporting and implementing the organization to improve energy performance. We have Mr. Prabeen Kumar Jha joining us. Welcome, sir.
A warm welcome to all. I am extremely honored to receive the 6th edition of SEAM National Energy Management Award 2020. I am earnestly grateful to SEAM Management, Cinema Award Committee and the jury members for recognizing my work at Ordnance Factory Barangaon in the field of energy conservation and management. I have faced several challenges on my way, but each one of them has given me strength to make me person I am today. As a professional in ethics of energy auditor, for the contribution towards nation building, I had also set a gold card at Ordnance Factory Barangaon for world-class specific energy consumption benchmarking in 2008, and not lost my desire till we achieved the goal in the field of small arms ammunition manufacturing. I have implemented various innovative techniques like energy waste workaround, 3C approach, zero energy waste, steam trap management, condition-based maintenance, demand-side management, energy awareness campaign, Nukkad Natak and other short and long-term projects at Ordnance Factory Barangaon. During my tenure, Ordnance Factory Barangaon received 10 national and state energy conservation awards within a span of 7 years for the continual performance in the field of energy conservation and management. Now, as an energy manager at Ordnance Factory Board, Headquarters, Kolkata, I will try to translate my experience for the benefit of all 41 ordnance factories. Winning the award would not have been possible without the inspiration I have received from my seniors and support from Energy Task Force members of Ordnance Factory Barangaon, for whom I have deepest respect and from whom I have derived the strength to challenge myself and perform best at each stage. I sincerely thank the General Manager, Ordnance Factory Barangaon, Energy Task Force member of Energy Management Cell, OFB, and senior officers of Ordnance Factory Board for helping me to reach a stage where I can proudly hold up this award as a mark of my achievement. I also promise to give me best in future so that you can see me here for more such awards. No matter what field we are in, every individual has a role to play towards energy saving to give a safe future for the next generation. Let us together take a pledge for a meaningful contribution towards energy and water conservation. Give energy saving a helping hand. Let us make Atmanirbhar Bharat a carbon neutral country. Thanks to all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have SEAM Best Performance Award 2024 Certified Energy Managers category. For that, I welcome Mr. P.C. Tiwari, SEAM Rajasthan chapter to announce the SEAM Best Performance Award for Certified Energy Manager category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With immense pleasure, I announce and present Best Performance Award, and it goes to Mr. Sachin Gupta from Rajasthan. Congratulations and greetings.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Mr. Sachin Gupta. Sachin Gupta is a committed energy manager working with J.K. White Cements as head electrical and instrumentation, who initiated effective energy efficiency program and achieved results profiting his organization. We have Mr. Sachin Gupta joining us. Welcome, sir.
Respected all the jury members and participants, myself Sachin Gupta, Certified Energy Auditor and Chartered Engineer, J.K. White Cement Works, Bhutan. Being Energy Auditor, it's a matter of great pleasure for me to recognize myself and my team efforts by awarding the SEMA 2020. The philosophy of our management to add value addition on everyday basis for betterment of the organization by taking small sustainable actions. During the execution, we made number of task forces for effective and sustainable results. This year, we have audited even all the non-productive machines like welding machines, AC, refrigerators, etc. and replaced all the inefficient machines with ESCO model, resulting the huge saving having approximate 1.5 year payback period. After getting this prestigious award, myself and my team got highly motivated and will continue this journey, which will also help nation towards National Action Plan for Climate Change. Thank you so much.
And next we have SEAM Best Performance Award 2024 SDA category. For that, I welcome Mr. R.K. Rai, BEE Secretary, to announce the SEAM Best Performance Award for SDA category. Sir, please.
Dear friend, this is the time for celebration. I am happy to bestow Best Performance Awards upon 3 SDAs. SDAs, in fact, are the agencies which help in implementing the national level policies and initiative at state level, that is at the ground level. It is at the state level that the policies are put to test of implementation and impact. The SDAs implement these programs obviously through impaneled or otherwise certified energy auditors and managers. Conventional government agencies rarely get appreciation from civil service societies, especially those working in the same field. There are bound to be more conflict and criticism than accolades. But yes, here is a welcome departure. SEAM is now recognizing the efforts of SDAs, and that makes these awards very special, and I can visualize how hard earned that could be. 3 SDAs are awarded the Best Performance Award. I am happy to declare the winner, and this goes to CREDA of Chhattisgarh, compliments, EMC of Kerala, congratulations, and HAREDA of Haryana, again compliments. I congratulate the winners and wish all success in future, and I also request the other SDAs to come forward and participate in the coming years. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, Chhattisgarh State Renewable Energy Development Agency. CREDA, like many other SDAs, have the dual function of implementing renewable energy policies as well as energy efficiency policies. CREDA's effort in biofuel projects are very famous in the country, and they have given a head start to the state in adoption of biofuel policies. CREDA is active in promotion of energy efficiency programs among industries and regularly conduct programs for industries to keep the momentum on. We have a very eminent personality from CREDA. Welcome, sir.
CREDA has implemented several energy efficient programs and projects. CREDA has replaced more than 2 lakhs energy efficient bulbs, and also we have identified and converted more than 600 government buildings and public sector buildings into energy efficient buildings. Even B certified pumps which are energy efficient, we have introduced them in our projects, and to create the awareness among the masses, school students, teachers and general public, we have organizing time to time some seminars, workshops, painting programs, and also giving them awards.
Thank you, sir. And we have 2 more winners in the same category. Congratulations to Energy Management Center, Kerala. Kerala SDA Energy Management Center is one among the oldest in its category and is celebrating its 25th anniversary. It has always been in the forefront of implementing energy efficiency policies effectively in the state. That is evident in its repeatedly bagging awards from BEE. EMC is always proactive in implementing the BEE initiatives. We have a wonderful representative from EMC. Welcome, sir.
Let me, on behalf of Energy Management Center, express our sincere gratitude for recommending us for the SEAM National Energy Management Awards this year. EMC team had been consistently receiving the different national level accolades over many years, but if you ask me, I would say it is not just because of our effort, but due to various stakeholders and professional bodies, including industrial associations and professional bodies like SEAM and different communities like NGOs, school level participation, even including the domestic people who had wholeheartedly worked towards the goal of energy conservation in the state. This year we are concentrating on the Go Electric campaign, in which we are promoting electric vehicle based transportation as well as electric cooking as part of the national campaign on electric vehicles, the Go Electric campaign. We thank all our stakeholders in this energy conservation community for enabling us in receiving such recommendations and accolades all through these years. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And the final winner in this category is none other than Haryana Renewable Energy Development Agency, HAREDA. Hareda is a progressive in translating BEE policies to effective implementation in the state time to time. Their many schemes have enabled industry to adapt energy efficient measures. Many imaginative programs of Hareda have benefited the industry and has played a role in keeping the energy auditors motivated in their role. We have an eminent personality from Hareda to talk to us. Welcome, sir.
Good morning. I am Dr. Hanif Qureshi, Director General of the New and Renewable Energy Department of Haryana or Hareda. The Department of New and Renewable Energy is acting as the state designated agency for energy conservation in the state. Energy conservation programs are being run in the state in a multi-pronged manner, and we have made it mandatory for all units with connected load of more than 100 kilowatts to do energy audit. This is also mandatory for industries having more than 1 megawatt load to get their energy audited every year. Apart from that, in the government buildings, Hareda has made it mandatory to install LED lights in place of all other inefficient lights, and due to that about 88% of our buildings in the government sector, they are currently on LED lights. Out of 22 districts of Haryana, more than about 14 districts are already 100% on LED lights, and we have a plan that within this year itself all the districts will be covered under the 100% LED lights. For the agricultural sector, Haryana is an agricultural state and we have a large number of agricultural pumps. We have made 4-star rated pumps as mandatory in the agricultural sector. Last year we installed about 15,000 agricultural pumps under the PM Kusum scheme, and this year these are all solar pumps, off-grid pumps, and this year our target is to install 22,000 these agricultural pumps, all with 100% solar energy. Apart from that, the state level energy conservation awards are being given to industries, to big users and various categories of users to promote the importance of energy conservation in them. Apart from that, energy efficient devices and solar based decentralized devices like small home lighting systems of 150 watts, which are used in dhanis and places where people still do not have electricity. Those kind of home lighting systems based on solar power are also being popularized by our department. We are thankful to the Society of Energy Engineers and Managers for selecting Haryana for the SEAM National Energy Management Awards. Thank you very much.
We have been dealing with a lot of awards, and I am sure that you are very curious to know about the evaluation process of this SEAM Awards 2020, and so am I. So we have our chief jury, Mrs. Gayatri Nair, to explain us about the evaluation process. I invite Gayatri ma'am. Welcome ma'am.
Well, we have a specific scoring mechanism based on the achievements of each organization. Those who score 65 to 74 points will be considered for silver, 75 to 84 will be considered for gold, and above 85 as platinum. Best performance awards are meant for individuals and other service organizations working in the area of energy conservation. Certified energy auditors and certified energy managers are doing a great job to the society, and their best efforts must be recognized, and we must keep them motivated. Energy auditing firms in India is providing valuable services beyond business. We are also recognizing the noteworthy initiatives from state designated agencies, as they are the strongest pillars of energy efficiency in each state. Let's motivate such strong hearts to perform better. Thank you.
So now let's begin with SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for engineering category. For that, I invite Mr. K.M. Vijaykumaran, former MD, Milma Limited and Vice Chairman, SEAM Kerala, to announce SEAM Silver Award for Engineering category. Sir, please.
With pleasure, I announce the Silver Award of SEAM National Energy Management Award 2020 to Centum Electronics, Bangalore, Karnataka. Congratulations to all participants, especially the winners of SNEMA Awards 2020. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Vijaykumaran, and congratulations Centum Electronics Limited for your achievement today. Centum Electronics Limited is an electronic manufacturing plant with more than 600 employees. They have a very systematic energy conservation activities and a very effective energy monitoring and review mechanism. Now, I call upon a very eminent personality from Centum Electronics Limited to speak up a few words. Please, sir.
Hi, this is Danish from Centum. My hearty congratulations to all the participants of the SEAM Awards 2020 and the winners. I would like to thank the SEAM team to give us this opportunity to showcase our work on energy conservation at national level. And I am glad to hear that our work on energy conservation is recognized and we have been awarded. Okay. I would like to say that this journey will continue and we will have further engagements with the SEAM. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
Now, we have SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for Engineering category. To announce that, I invite Mr. G. Subramaniam, Vice Chairman, SEAM Andhra Pradesh Telangana Chapter, to announce the SEAM Silver Award for Engineering category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM AP and Telangana Chapter. I announce with pleasure the Silver Award, and it goes to KEC International Nagpur. Once again, congratulations from SEAM.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations KEC International Limited Nagpur. KEC International Limited Nagpur is an engineering company with more than 1,250 employees, and they have a wider area and they are very good in their power and fuel monitoring and review. They effectively carry out their training and development, and they have a very effective TPM and CBM practices. We have a very good person from this company to talk to us, so let's listen from them. Please, sir.
I am Mukesh Pawar, Manufacturing Head of KEC International Limited, Butiburi plant. First of all, on behalf of entire KEC Butiburi team, I am thankful to SEAM for acknowledging and appreciating our initiatives taken for energy conservation. We really encouraged and motivated to get this prestigious SEAM award. It's a great moment of honor for us to place in such distinguished place of awardees. Thanks for giving us opportunity to share our initiatives towards sustainable energy on this prestigious platform. With this unique milestone that we have achieved, I am confident that this award will strive us to achieve the energy excellence. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.
Next, we have SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for Foundry category. For that, I invite Mr. K.M. Shanavas, Joint Director, Kerala State Productivity Council and Vice Chairman, SEAM Kerala Chapter, to announce the SEAM Silver Award for the Foundry category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Silver Award to Ms. Nelcas Limited, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations Nelcas Limited. Nelcas Limited is a premier foundry with more than 400 employees. They have a very good energy monitoring and review mechanism, and they also have a very effective implementation of energy conservation measures. And here we have a representative from Nelcas Limited to talk to us, so let's listen from them. So please.
Good day. My name is Deepak and I'm the Managing Director of Nelcast Limited. Nelcast is the leading foundry manufacturing ductile and grey iron castings in India. And we have a client base that extends well beyond India to North America, Europe, Australia, and Southeast Asia. We are a company that's very conscious of our footprint in this world, and as a result, energy is an extremely important aspect of our continuous improvement program. This continuous improvement has given us the impetus to go for the ISO 50001 Energy Management System certification. We've been doing continuous energy audits by external agencies, and we've been continuously working on improving ourselves through all the audit observations. And we've implemented several improvement activities. Several of these activities include optimizations that we've done within our plant through the use of higher horsepower motors being converted into the latest IE3 and beyond energy saving devices. We've also converted our MVP streetlights into LED, and we've also taken the focus area of melting, which consumes 70% of our power. In the melting area, we have modified our dual track furnaces to operate from sharing their power at 2500 plus 500 to 2000 plus 1000. This has helped us achieve a better utilization and avoid metal holding and heat loss. And therefore, we have been able to improve our energy. We have also been operating only 4 crucibles instead of 6. Earlier, when we used to operate 6 crucibles, the metal would be ready even before the molds were. And therefore, we would spend energy and waste energy in keeping the metal hot. Today, we no longer have that problem, and therefore, we are much more optimized in terms of our energy consumption. We have also introduced several new equipment, like a brand new 120-liter capacity cold box shooter to reduce the coat delay. This helps us increase our demand for metal from the molding line, and as a result of that, helps us reduce our energy consumption. Compressed air is an extremely important part of our process as well. We use it for a variety of things, but we have been continuously working on reducing and minimizing the consumption of compressed air. We also conduct regular leak tests to make sure that there are no leakages, and we take the necessary actions if we find any. We have also optimized the size and shape of our pouring cups to avoid any kind of spillage, to ensure that there is a better utilization of every kilogram of liquid metal that is melted. We've also introduced several other interesting and innovative things, like our shot blasting machines, where the dust collector also switches off if the machine is not running. The introduction of an alternate material in our sand system has helped us actually reduce our shot blasting cycle time, and therefore substantially reduce our power consumption for our auxiliary equipment as well. Energy continues to always be a focus for us for 2 reasons. Energy is something that we believe is a resource that is given to us by this planet, whether it might be renewable or non-renewable. And therefore it is in our best interest, in the interest of our entire community and the entire humankind, in order to minimize the use of energy so that we can get more through better efficiency. The second reason why we believe energy is important is, of course, for our own business reasons. Energy constitutes about 15% of our total turnover, which is significant. And therefore, it is always a constant endeavor of ours to continue to optimize our energy. I thank the team at SCEM for considering us for this award, and I can assure you that we as Nelcast will always strive to improve our energy conservation efforts, and we will continuously keep improving. Thank you.
Next is SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for Food, Beverages, Dairy Industry category. To announce that, I welcome Mr. A.P. Jose, Director, Kerala State Productivity Council and Founder, Treasurer of SEAM, to announce the SEAM Silver Award for Food, Beverages, Dairy Industry category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Silver Award, and it goes to Mazas Dodla Dairy Limited, Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Congratulations and greetings.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, Dodla Dairy Limited, Nellore, Andhra Pradesh, on your achievement. Dodla Dairy Limited Nellore is a premium dairy with more than 450 employees and with an ISO 50001 certified organization with a very effective training and development mechanism and in-house energy conservation activities. So we have a very good representative from Dodla Dairy Limited to talk to us. Sir, please.
Hi, Nellore Dairy, one of the 13 dairy plants of Dodla Dairy Limited, the third largest private dairy sector company in southern India, was established in 1997. Realizing the energy efficiency is the cheapest fuel and the best option to conserve energy and environment as well as to save money, we undertook the energy audit in 2011 and also implemented ISO 50001, the energy management system. We did this jointly with our sister unit in Palamaneru Dairy. Nellore Dairy was the first dairy to implement ISO 50001 in India in the year 2012. We commit ourselves to being one of the most energy efficient dairies in the country through continual improvement in energy performance and use of renewable energy. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
And now we have SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for Food Beverages Dairy Industry category. To announce that, I welcome Mr. Puneet Lakshmi Narayanan Hegde, Vice Chairman and Treasurer, SEAM Maharashtra Chapter, to announce the SEAM Silver Award for Food Beverages Dairy Industry category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Maharashtra Chapter. I am Puneet Hegde and I announce the Silver Award, and it goes to Dodla Dairy Limited, Palamner, Andhra Pradesh. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations Dodla Dairy Limited Palamner. So Dodla Dairy Limited Palamner is a premium dairy with more than 250 employees. They have a very effective training and development mechanism with a very structured preventive maintenance practices and in-house energy conservation activities. So we have another representative from Dodla Dairy Limited. Let's hear from him. Please, sir.
Dodla is the third largest private sector dairy in southern India and established in 1997. Realizing the importance of energy conservation, we undertook energy audit in 2011 in Nellore and sister unit of Palamner and implemented ISO 51000 in 2012 and got certified in both the plants. We commit ourselves to be one of the most energy efficient dairies in India through continual improvement of energy management systems. Thank you.
Next, we have SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for Pulp and Paper category. For that, I welcome Mr. Anthony Gerald PV, Treasurer, SEAM Karnataka Chapter, to announce the SEAM Silver Awards for the Pulp and Paper Industry category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Karnataka Chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present the Silver Award, and it goes to Messrs. Sri Rama Newsprint Limited, Surat, Gujarat. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations Sri Rama Newsprint Limited, Surat. Sri Rama Newsprint Limited is a prestigious newsprint manufacturer in the country with more than 850 employees and a very effective in-house energy conservation team, structured implementation program and very effective training. We have a representative from Sri Rama Newsprint Limited. Let's hear from them. Please, sir.
On behalf of SRNL management, we are thankful to SEAM for giving us a platform to show our plant efficiency and sustainability. We at Sri Rama are committed for continuous improvement and to accelerate the energy efficiency drive in our plant. As a part of our energy efficiency improvement strategy, Sri Rama will make every effort to reduce specific energy consumption by 2 to 5% per year by promoting culture of innovation, creativity and aligning at all the levels. Thank you very much.
Next, we have SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for Building category. For that, I welcome Mr. T. Muthukumaran, SEAM Andhra Pradesh Telangana Chapter, to announce the SEAM Silver Award for Building Industry category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM AP and Telangana Chapter. With pleasure, and I announce and present Silver Award, and it goes to Raja Rajeshwari Branch, ICICI Bank Limited, Bengaluru, Karnataka. So, my hearty congratulations to entire team of Raja Rajeshwari Branch.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, ICICI Bank Limited, Raja Rajeshwari Nagar Branch, Bangalore. ICICI Bank Limited, Raja Rajeshwari Nagar Branch is a part of India's premium corporate business house in the banking sector with focused activities in energy conservation and management. They have a very effective monitoring and review mechanism and structured activities through infra team. So we have a representative from ICICI Bank Team Limited. So let's hear from them. Please, sir.
ICICI Bank is committed to conserve environment. We believe that by integrating the idea of preserving the environment into our business paradigm, our work can have a positive impact. This is particularly important as we conduct business all over the country. Our strategy to manage our environmental footprint is based on efficient usage of energy with a focus to manage and conserve it. Our energy conservation strategy focuses on 3 areas to help us achieve our energy goals. They are improvement of existing energy efficiencies, investment in superior design and technology, and adoption of renewable energy. Since year 2016, ICICI Bank is participating in SEAM Awards. We believe that SEAM Energy Award is one of the best platforms for the organization that have made outstanding contributions in the area of energy efficiency to showcase their efforts and achievements. We sincerely thank SEAM Energy Committee for giving us an opportunity to participate, recognize and award us for our efforts toward energy management.
Next, we have SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for Building category. For that, I welcome Mr. S. Kannan, SEAM Tamil Nadu chapter, to announce the SEAM Silver Award for Building category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Tamil Nadu chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present the Silver Award, and it goes to ICICI Bank HRBR branch, Karnataka. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, ICICI Bank Limited HRBR Layout Branch, Bangalore. ICICI Bank Limited HRBR Layout Branch, Bangalore is a part of India's premium corporate business house in the banking sector with focused activities in energy conservation and management. They have a very effective monitoring and review mechanism and structured activities through infra team. We have a representative from ICICI Bank Limited HRBR Layout Branch, Bangalore. Let's listen to that. So please.
ICICI Bank is committed to conserve environment. We believe that by integrating the idea of preserving the environment into our business paradigm, our work can have a positive impact. This is particularly important as we conduct business all over the country. Our strategy to manage our environmental footprint is based on efficient usage of energy with a focus to manage and conserve it. Our energy conservation strategy focuses on 3 areas to help us achieve our energy goals. They are improvement of existing energy efficiencies, investment in superior design and technology, and adoption of renewable energy. Since year 2016, ICICI Bank is participating in SEAM Awards. We believe that SEAM Energy Award is one of the best platforms for the organization that have made outstanding contributions in the area of energy efficiency to showcase their efforts and achievements. We sincerely thank SEAM Energy Committee for giving us an opportunity to participate, recognize and award us for our efforts toward energy management.
Next, we have SEAM Silver Awards 2020 for Building category. For that, I welcome Mr. Krishna Kumar, Chief Operating Officer, SEAM. Please, sir.
Greetings from SEAM HO. With pleasure, I announce and present the Silver Award to Messrs. ICICI Bank Limited, Haveri Branch, Karnataka. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, ICICI Bank Limited, Haveri Branch, Bangalore. ICICI Bank Limited, Haveri Branch, Bangalore is a part of India's premium corporate business house in the banking sector with focused activities in energy conservation and management. They have a very effective monitoring and review mechanism and structured activities through infra team. We have a representative from ICICI Bank Limited, Bangalore, to talk to us. Let's listen. Please, sir.
ICICI Bank is committed to conserve environment. We believe that by integrating the idea of preserving the environment into our business paradigm, our work can have a positive impact. This is particularly important as we conduct business all over the country. Our strategy to manage our environmental footprint is based on efficient usage of energy with a focus to manage and conserve it. Our energy conservation strategy focuses on 3 areas to help us achieve our energy goals. They are improvement of existing energy efficiencies, investment in superior design and technology, and adoption of renewable energy. Since year 2016, ICICI Bank is participating in SEAM Awards. We believe that SEAM Energy Award is one of the best platforms for the organization that have made outstanding contributions in the area of energy efficiency to showcase their efforts and achievements. We sincerely thank SEAM Energy Committee for giving us an opportunity to participate, recognize and award us for our efforts toward energy management.
Next, before we move into the next category of awards, we have a very strong and eminent personality to talk to us. Mr. Padu Padmanabhan is a renowned personality in this field. Today, by honoring him, SEAM has honored ourselves. He has kindly agreed to share his thoughts with us today. Mr. Padu Padmanabhan is authoring a book by the title First Fuel, India's Energy Efficiency, which is due for release shortly. Let's hear from him. Please, sir.
Good day. I am honored and delighted to be invited to speak at SEAM's energy management function. Over the years, I have watched SEAM grow from being a state-led program to a regional hub and now to a national entity. It is a phenomenal growth, and acceptance is a tribute to its founders and to its staff. Today, I would be joining a galaxy of distinguished past speakers who have spoken on the theme of energy efficiency at SEAM's corporate energy management events. If I may, given that the audience is largely from corporate India as well as from state public sector institutions, I'd like to share some thoughts on some of the key policy drivers that can benefit the development and growth of energy efficiency stakeholders, be they be ESCOs or vendors or end users or energy auditors. That said, let me briefly provide a historical context to energy efficiency. Over the years, energy efficiency in India has evolved through 4 stages. The first stage was energy substitution, followed by energy conservation, followed by energy efficiency, and now increasingly being followed by energy productivity. The genesis of the energy efficiency movement in India in the mid-60s began with the need to substitute one form of energy by another. And the paradox then was we did not know how to use sensibly the new energy form that substituted the old one. It was the substitution of coal by oil in the mid-60s that started us off on an efficiency journey. It owes itself to corporate India, or more specifically the textile industry in Mumbai. Then in the 60s, the 2 refineries, Esso and Burma Shell, had excess of furnace oil or heavy bottoms. They were interested to market it to the textile industry in the city who were their neighbors and who were keen on moving from coal to oil. But the textile industry had a problem. There was a lack of storage space to store the coal. They had to get the coal from Bengal, Bihar, and had to negotiate the steep inclines of the Western Ghats, and the railways had a wagon shortage. And all of this meant that the textile industry was held hostage to to these factors, and hence the availability of coal was quite uncertain. The Planning Commission of India was seized of this problem, and they approached the National Institute of Fuel Efficiency Services of UK. NIFES of UK visited India in the mid-60s, partnered with the National Procurement Council of India, established a fuel efficiency cell, and this cell provided assistance to the textile industry to switch over from coal to oil. And later, in 1973, when the oil price hike took place and the government was anxious to conserve petroleum fuels, the NPC's Fuel Efficiency Service provided assistance, training and consultancy to Indian industry. And this, in 1975, led to the establishment of the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, which was probably the first institutional arrangement on energy efficiency in the developing world. All that's now a piece of history. Two key developments took place in the 70s. In its first flush, a few Indian companies introduced measures for energy savings or fuel savings. Those companies that created fuel efficiency cells manned by dedicated personnel achieved good success. 15% to 30% furnace oil savings was not unheard of. Companies like Century Rayons, Hindustan Antibiotics, Hindustan Levers, FACT in Alway, Gole Rayons Mavoor, and several others were part of this first wave. They also introduced in-plant energy audit programs that spread and was embraced by corporate India. Today we are at a crossroads in the growth and evolution of energy efficiency in India, in corporate India. Two fundamental factors confront us. The first fundamental factor is a question. Is it time now to reimagine energy efficiency and replace it with a more contemporary and relevant strategy? And if so, what should that strategy be? And the second factor is, in our current efforts in advancing energy efficiency in Indian industry and elsewhere, are we following a linear path? Can we move towards an integrative energy efficiency design approach that can save us an additional 15 to 30% more energy? Let me try briefly to elaborate on each one of the 2 points I made. In order to reimagine energy efficiency, we need to ask a very simple question. Typically in the industry shop floor situation, we ask the question, how is energy used? And the answer is straightforward. We conduct an energy audit, we identify energy efficiency measures, we prioritize these measures, we implement the most attractive measures, we save energy, end of story. But now we need to go beyond that and ask the question, what is the energy used for? The moment one asks this question and seeks answers, you're not talking about energy efficiency anymore. You're now talking about energy productivity. What is energy productivity and why is it relevant to corporate India? Energy productivity is the measure of economic value we receive from each unit of energy we use. It can be calculated both at the country level as well as at the company level. At the country level, it is arrived at by dividing the total GDP of the country divided by its annual energy consumption. And at a company level, it is arrived at by dividing the total company revenue by its annual energy consumption. It's a simple yet powerful tool for a company. Why is that so? Energy productivity focuses on value creation and growth, whereas energy efficiency focuses on energy savings and profits. Energy productivity is more positive and output focused, whereas energy efficiency is more negative and conservation focused. As mentioned earlier, by asking the question, how energy is used, energy efficiency is an operational tactical issue. By asking the question what energy is used for, energy productivity is a strategic issue, seeking answers through modernization, through diversification, and through company restructuring. Summing up, since I do not wish to belabor this point, energy efficiency is a bottom line issue and contributes to cost reduction. Energy productivity, on the other hand, is a top line investment issue and a strategy and directly contributes to company revenues and profits. The challenge, I think, is for Indian industry to transit from energy efficiency at the boiler room or the shop floor level to energy productivity at the boardroom level. This calls for an industrial strategy that moves from producing basic energy intensive processes like aluminum, ingots and steel or paper to specialty high value products. We need to ask the question, do we need or do we want to manufacture aluminum, ingots, or take it all the way and manufacture airplane fuselages? Do we want to manufacture mild steel or take it all the way and manufacture alloy steel, which is used in precision machine tools? Do we want to manufacture just cardboard or newsprint, or do we want to manufacture specialty paper? And there are many, many other examples in industry. The question here is that it is not happening. It is not that it is not happening. It is happening in India and in the rest of the developed and developing world. Energy intensity or energy used to manufacture a unit of industrial product is declining. And energy productivity, which is the inverse of energy intensity, is improving. In the G7 countries like Japan or the US or Germany, GDP per unit of energy consumed has increased. The decoupling of GDP and energy in these countries is absolute. In other words, GDP has increased and energy consumption in absolute terms is reduced. In India too, there is a decoupling, but the decoupling is not absolute, it is relative. Here, in other words, GDP has increased, energy consumption has also increased, but the rate of growth of energy consumption is reduced. The challenge for India and Indian industry at the macroeconomic level is to move from relative decoupling, which is happening today, to absolute decoupling. Now, between 1990 and 2015, energy productivity in India improved by 72%. During the same period, energy productivity in China improved by 203%. The key is structural changes in the economy through value addition, diversification, and modernization. We need a paradigm shift in how we view energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency without changing the structure of the economy will improve energy productivity, but only marginally. A step increase in energy productivity can only happen if Indian industry were to incorporate energy productivity as part of corporate strategy and advance value addition. Let me make my last point. Many of you from industry must have wondered whether you have achieved the full potential of energy efficiency investments and interventions. The basic question is, can you save more than what you have designed your system for? Besides OPEX, can you save CAPEX? In other words, are all your savings only bottom line operational savings, or is it possible to simultaneously achieve top line investment or CAPEX savings? If one were to map industrial energy efficiency opportunities, you would have 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, which all of you are very familiar with, is what I would call as quick fixes or housekeeping measures. These are short-term measures, no-cost, low-cost measures. Indian industry is very familiar with it. I need not say anything more about it. Quadrant 2 is what I would call as must-dos. These are measures which require some investments. The returns on savings are high, less than 2 years in many cases. And these are measures such as insulation, efficient boilers, efficient electric motor systems, and other measures which require some investment like waste heat recovery and so on and so forth. And Indian industry is pretty much aware of some of these must-dos and in fact have been implementing very many of them. Quadrant 3 is integrative technologies, and I'll come back to it in a moment. And quadrant 4 is transformative technologies such as nanotechnology or digital technology or circular economy. And quadrant 4 is still a little bit in the future, so it'll take some time before it is adopted in Indian industry. So let's talk about quadrant 3, integrative technologies. As I said, Indian industry is knocking on the doors of quadrant 3. And what is quadrant 3? Integrative technologies. These are technologies such as integrated designs of pumping systems, lighting systems, process heating systems, advanced heat power cycles, water energy nexus, pinch point analysis in process industry, and so on and so forth. Now, what we need to understand is most energy efficiency projects in industry are structured to develop schemes around individual standalone equipments or subsystems and not on design methods that are inclusive. I think this is a very serious limitation of current energy efficiency design approaches where we assume diminishing return. In other words, the more efficiency we seek, greater is the marginal cost of the next incremental savings is, until it becomes too costly and we stop. We stop because it does not make any sense to tap further energy savings as we do not want to cross the cost effectiveness limit. But integrative design enables us to expand upon the energy savings by at least another 15 to 35% more. And it is all achieved at a lower marginal cost of incremental savings. What is actually needed is a design approach that enables one to tunnel through the cost barrier that I spoke of earlier, the cost effectiveness limit. Let me provide a few examples of what I mean. If you look at insulating a pipe, which is an individual technology, you will choose the minimum economic thickness of insulating wool. That is right. But you would hardly look at the rest of the system. You would not look at the boiler, the ducts, the pipelines, the fans, the blowers, the burners, etc. These too could be impacted and could be downsized, leading to capex savings. Another example, the phenomena common to many industrial installations and buildings, the phenomena of big pumps and small pipes. How about flipping it and look at big pipes and small pumps? With bigger diameter pipes, head loss is reduced and so is friction loss, and hence lower horsepower of the pump. The lesson, design pipelines first and then pumps. You'll reap both OPEX and CAPEX savings. Lighting provides a good example. 2. We spend a great deal of time and effort and money on choosing a light source and a fixture with the highest lumen efficacy without taking into consideration the application or task efficacy of the light source. Is the light illuminating the table or task that we want lit up or not? It is like the drill and hole syndrome. We spend more effort in buying a drill and drill bit than we spend on identifying, locating, and designing the hole that we intend making. It's important to remember that integrative design optimizes the entire system as a whole instead of its part in isolation, and in the process could save you 20 to 30% more energy. I would like to conclude here with an observation. After the current pandemic, climate change is the most dangerous, intractable, and existential threat to mankind. As we all know, it is being driven by emissions of carbon dioxide derived from combustion of fossil fuels. Net zero emissions of carbon dioxide is the goal over the next 2 to 3 decades. What does net zero India mean? What are its potential pathways, infrastructure, and impacts? It is undoubtedly the greatest technological, institutional, and social challenge, no question about it. and also no question that energy efficiency will be front and center of our transition to net zero India. It is the bridge to connect an India dominated by fossil fuels to an India of the future dominated by renewable energy. For this, we need to reimagine energy efficiency as a productivity strategy. We need to adopt integrative energy efficiency design principles and provide weightage and consideration to the many co-benefits that accompany energy efficiency. Thank you for your patient listening, and once again let me mention my gratitude to SEAM for inviting me to virtually address this August gathering. Good day. Thank you.
Thank you so much for enlightening us with your words, sir. Next, we are moving into the next category, that is SEAM Gold Awards. Let's start. The first award is SEAM Gold Awards 2024 Non-Ferrous Metal category. To announce that, I welcome Dr. Mohammed Sharif, Chairman SEAM Kerala Chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Non-Ferrous Metal category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Mrs. Vedanta Limited, Smelter Plant 1, Odisha. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations Vedanta Limited Smelter Plant 1, Jharsuguda, Odisha. Vedanta Limited Smelter Plant 1, Jharsuguda, Odisha is an established aluminium smelter plant under Vedanta Group with more than 1,000 employees with systematic activities to promote sustainable energy conservation and management. They also have a very effective energy monitoring and review mechanism with periodic energy audits. So we have a representative from Vedanta Limited. Let's hear from them. Please, sir.
Namaste, good afternoon. I am Sachin Gupta, Energy Manager of Vedanta Limited, Jharsuguda, India's largest producer of aluminium. We are committed to become the most energy efficient aluminium producer globally. Over the past 3 years, we have implemented more than 50 energy conservation projects at our operations. Our major intervention including implementation of 100% graphitized pots, 100% outdoor LEDs and extensive deployment of energy efficient machinery. We are a digitally first company adopting energy solution for improving energy efficient over smelters, casthouse and power plants. Currently, we are also exploring additional of renewable energy like solar to our energy mix. Last but not the least, I would like to thank SEAM team for considering our smelters for SEAM National Energy Conservation Award SEMA 2020. Thank you very much. Namaste.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2024 Thermal Power Plant category. For that, I welcome Mr. P. Prem Kumar, Chairman, SEAM Tamil Nadu Chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Thermal Power Plant category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Tamil Nadu Chapter. I have great pleasure in announcing and presenting Gold Award, and the award goes to Mrs. JSW Energy Limited, 4x3 megawatts power plant, Maharashtra. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations JSW Energy Limited, 4x300 megawatt power plant, Ratnagiri. JSW Energy Limited 4x300 megawatt power plant, Ratnagiri, is a coal-based power plant with 4x300 megawatt turbines, having properly trained 180 plus employees. They also have a very effective energy, coal and water monitoring system. So we have a representative from JSW Energy Limited, 4x300 megawatt power plant, Ratnagiri. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Hello all. At JSW, with the motto of better every day, our strength continues to be excellent operational efficiencies and a deep industry insight. With such efforts last year, we were able to save more than 22 million units of electricity and around 3,000 metric tons of coal and more than 2 lakh metric cubes of fresh water. We at JSW Energy Limited Ratnagiri are committed to operate our power plants in a manner that ensures energy efficiency and compliances with the applicable legal and statutory requirements. Every year, we are able to allot 15% of our budget towards process improvements initiatives. We really appreciate the initiative of SEAM that recognizes, supports, motivates such efforts by various sectors, thereby supports countries' journey towards climate change mitigation and sustainable development. Thank you.
Next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Engineering Industry category. For that, I welcome Professor Mohan Krishnarao Ketkar, Chairman SEAM Maharashtra Chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Awards for Engineering Industry category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Maharashtra Chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. Schneider Electric India Private Limited, Bangalore Factory, Karnataka. Heartiest congratulations to them.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Schneider Electric India Private Limited, Bangalore. Schneider Electric India Private Limited, Bangalore is an Indian manufacturing facility of a world's premier electric company in Karnataka with around 500 employees. They have a very structured energy conservation activities with ISO 50001 certification. They also have an accurate energy monitoring and performance review. They have their own energy audit team and they have implemented CBM. So we have a representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
On behalf of Schneider Electric team, I would like to thank Society of Energy Engineers and Managers, SEAM, for giving us this recognition. At Schneider Electric, sustainability and energy efficiency are at the heart of our business strategy. When it comes to SEIPL Bangalore plant, we have improved our energy efficiency by more than 30% with the adaptation of our EcoStruxure energy management platform developed by Schneider Electric. And continuing with our journey of energy efficiency and sustainability, our goal is to be carbon neutral and further improve our energy portfolio to green energy by 95% plus. With this, I would like to thank again SEAM for giving us this reward and recognition. Thank you.
Next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Engineering Industry category. For that, I welcome Mr. Virendra Raghuram, former Director General, National Productivity Council and Chairman, SEAM Andhra Pradesh Telangana Chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Engineering Industry category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Telangana Chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present the Gold Award, and it goes to KEC International Limited, Rajasthan. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, KEC International Limited, Jaipur. KEC International Limited, Jaipur is an engineering company with more than 750 employees. They have area-wise power and fuel monitoring and review. They also effectively carry out training and development. They also have an effective TPM and CBM practices. We have a representative from KEC International Limited. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Myself, Rohit Jalani, plant head for KEC International Limited, Jaipur. First of all, on behalf of our entire plant operations team, I am thankful to SEAM for acknowledging and appreciating our initiatives taken for energy conservation. We are really encouraged and motivated to receive the SEAM award. It is a great honor for us to be placed in such distinguished list of awardees and also giving us the opportunity to share the virtual dice with the energy leaders of our nation, who are all continuously contributing towards energy conservation, environment and sustainability. We at KEC always keep on striving to attain new milestones for conserving natural resources and environment. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe, take care.
Thank you, sir. And next, in the gold category, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for chemical category. For that, I welcome Mr. Sanjeev Jain, Chief Engineer, CREDA and Chairman SEAM Chhattisgarh Chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for chemical category. Sir, please.
Greeting from Chhattisgarh Chapter of SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to IPCA Laboratories, Madhya Pradesh. Congratulations, IPCA team.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, IPCA Laboratories Limited, Madhya Pradesh. IPCA Laboratories Limited, Madhya Pradesh is an India's premium laboratories with more than 2,000 employees. They have in-house energy cell with effective monitoring and training. So we have a representative from IPCA Laboratories Limited, Madhya Pradesh to talk to us. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Site's continuous effort into energy conservation has been recognized, and site has received National Energy Conservation Award in the year 2016 first prize. Site has received SEAM Management Award Silver Award in the year 2017, National Energy Conservation Award 2018 first prize.
Thank you, sir. And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Food and Beverages Dairy Industry category. For that, I welcome Mr. Deva Prasad Deva, Chairman, SEAM Odisha Chapter 2, announce the SEAM Gold Award for Food and Beverages Dairy Industry category. Sir, please.
My heartiest greetings on behalf of SEAM Odisha. It is my great pleasure to announce and present Gold Awards. It goes to Malabar Regional Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, Milna, Kerala. Congratulations for their great achievement.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations Malabar Regional Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, Milma, Kozhikode, Kerala. Malabar Regional Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, Milma, Kozhikode, is a part of Kerala's largest milk processing and distribution network with major stake in northern Kerala. They have more than 500 employees with effective energy monitoring, review and analysis system. They also have effective training and employee empowerment. We have a representative from Malabar Regional Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited, Milma, Kozhikode. Let's take a look at the video. Please, sir.
Namaskaram. Welcome to Malabar Milma, Kerala's largest milk cooperative union. Our commitment towards energy conservation is backed by a strong energy policy.
Some of our recent ASIMs include installation of heat recovery system for our BMCs, electric goods vehicle for dairy units, grid interactive solar plants for a few societies, BLDC fans for units, and so more. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Textiles category, and to announce that I invite Mr. Jayesh Darji, Chairman, SEAM Gujarat Chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Textiles category. Sir, please.
Hello, greetings from the SEAM Gujarat Chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Mrs. Birla Century, a division of Century Textile and Industries Limited, Gujarat. Congratulations, my best regards to him.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations Birla Century, a division of Century Textiles and Industries Limited, Gujarat. Birla Century, Gujarat is a textile manufacturing plant with more than 2,500 employees. They have an ISO 50001 certification and LEED certification from USGBC. They have a very structured production and energy monitoring mechanism with periodic energy audits. They have implemented various energy conservation projects and initiatives in the plant. We have a representative from Birla Century, Gujarat. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, jury, for recognizing Birla Century for this award. I am honored to receive this award on behalf of the entire Birla Century team. Birla Century has always remained committed towards energy management systems. We have successfully achieved PAT cycle 1.26 from 1.49, re-engineering of the humidification plant, and helped us to reduce energy by 16,000 kilowatt hours. Our next focus is on renewable energy. It's a pleasure to receive this award. Thank you.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Cement category. For that, I welcome Mr. Praveen Todkar, Secretary, SEAM Andhra Pradesh Telangana Chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Cement category. Sir, please.
Very big congratulations to Committee of SEAM Energy Management Awards 2020. Salute to all participants for their good contribution and participation. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Chittor Cement Plant, Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited, Rajasthan. Very big congratulations. Thank you and stay safe.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations Chittor Cement Plant of Nuvoco Vistas Corporation Limited, Rajasthan. Chittor Cement Plant, Rajasthan, is an integrated cement plant with more than 250 employees, dedicated energy committee and highly involved employees. They focus energy monitoring, review and reporting system, and they continually increase AFR utilization in kiln. We have a representative from Chittor Cement Plant, Rajasthan. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
National award from eminent body like SEAM is validation for industry drivers for their hard work and out-of-the-box ideas. It strengthens our commitment to reduce natural resources of energy and improve the carbon footprints. Along with that, it motivates to work towards a safer, smarter and sustainable world. Thank you.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Power Plant category. For that I welcome Mr. Bennett George, Secretary, SEAM Karnataka Chapter to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Power Plant category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Karnataka Chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award. And it goes to Vedanta Limited, Captive Power Plant, 1215 megawatt, Odisha. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations, Vedanta Limited Captive Power Plant 1215 megawatt, Jashaguda, Odisha. Vedanta 1215 megawatt captive power plant had 1,000 employees. They also have a very systematic initiatives to implement energy conservation measures. They have an in-house team for CBM and effective water consumption monitoring and utilization. We have a representative from Vedanta Limited Captive Power Plant 1215 megawatt, Jashaguda, Odisha. Let's listen to him. Please, sir.
Yeah, I'd like to thank SEAM for this award of excellence in energy management. And this would definitely motivate the industries to perform better in terms of efficiency, improvement and energy conservation. And this will also go a long way in ensuring better carbon footprints, reducing the carbon footprints. So I once again thanks SEAMs for all the good work that they're doing.
Thank you, sir. And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2024 Power Plant category. And for that I welcome Mr. Asim K, Secretary, SEAM Kerala Chapter to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Power Plant category. Sir, please.
From SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present the Gold Award in category Power Plant, and it goes to the 234 megawatt captive power plant of Hindustan Zinc Limited, located at its Chanderia lead zinc smelter in Rajasthan. Congratulations to the winners. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to 34 megawatt captive power plant Chanderia lead zinc smelter of Hindustan Zinc Limited, Rajasthan. 234 megawatt captive power plant have more than 350 employees. They also have a very active energy management cell to initiate energy conservation and water saving projects. They have a very effective energy and water monitoring and review mechanism and implementation of projects suggested during energy audits. We have a representative from 234 megawatt captive power plant Chanderia lead zinc smelter of Hindustan Zinc Limited, Rajasthan. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Hello everyone, I am Manas Tyagi, heading power business at Hindustan Zinc Limited. I am extremely gratified on receiving this award. Firstly, I want to thank Mr. Jaikumar for providing such a wonderful platform for showcasing our energy conservation initiatives. I am also thankful to the jury for recommending and recognizing our efforts in energy management. Our company has always strived for reduction in carbon footprint by adopting global best practices and investing in energy conservation projects. Our company has committed for reduction of scope 1 and 2 emissions by 14% by 2027 from the baseline of 2017. And this shows our commitment for reduction in energy consumption. Thank you once again for a wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, sir. We have plenty of awards waiting, but before we move into the next one, let's get a global view of energy efficiency from an eminent speaker. We are very much lucky to have Dr. Ashok Sarkar, who is the prime mover behind many energy efficiency programs in several countries in different parts of the world. It's my pleasure to welcome Dr. Ashok Sarkar. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, friends over in India and all over the world. First of all, I would like to thank the Society of Energy Engineers and Managers, SEAM India, to have invited me to speak at their event, SNEMA 2020. I wish I was there in person meeting all of you, but of course, because of the pandemic, we are still unable to get together. But I will try my best to share my presentation on the screen and share some thoughts about energy efficiency, opportunities, strategies, and lessons learned. As we all know, energy efficiency, particularly to all of you in the audience, it's a no-brainer. We have heard energy efficiency being labeled as the first fuel, the cheapest fuel, the low-hanging mitigation option, money lying on the street, in fact, and of course, more recently as the jobs machine. And each of those labels does have a meaning behind energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a financially attractive energy resource. Most of the energy efficiency options, the so-called negawatts or negative megawatts, are cheaper than the actual megawatts or the supply side megawatts. And on top of that, energy efficiency brings a lot of multiple benefits. It reduces the consumer bills. If tariffs are to be reformed, increased, it offsets the increase in costs. It eases pressures on national budgets. Of course, industries become more competitive because energy is a major cost for industrial production. And in many countries, energy efficiency simply improves the reliability of supply. It's also quicker to implement than many supply side options. A power station, especially the traditional old thermal power stations, might need 3 to 4 years to install. Energy efficiency can be deployed in months, if not weeks. And of course, energy efficiency contributes to the GHG mitigation. It is one of the cheapest ways of achieving greenhouse gas mitigation and air pollution reduction. And there are a bunch of other co-benefits which cuts across other sectors in transport sector, education, health sector, water sectors, etc. And it is the cheapest source of energy, not just on paper, but in reality. This graph on the right-hand side of the slide shows how energy efficiency on average is cheaper than even wind and solar, which itself is becoming much cheaper. And in more recent times, particularly in the last 18 months, what we have seen after COVID started, over 250 million people have lost jobs. But energy efficiency and renewables are the two main areas which still has the potential to create more jobs. So as a result, when we look around the post-COVID stimulus packages, which have been announced by various countries around the world, the share of energy efficiency in those stimulus packages is substantially high. Why? Because energy efficiency investments produces 3 times more jobs than fossil fuel investments. So for instance, if you spend $10 million on fossil fuel, oil, gas, coal, power stations, etc., you create average of 27 jobs. Energy efficiency and renewable energy have the potential to create almost 77, 75 jobs on the same investments. And these jobs are all over the place, mainly in building construction, building retrofits, electric mobility, LED street lighting, smart systems, industrial energy efficiency. And everywhere you look around, the same amount of industrial production and investments in energy efficiency would create more jobs. And what we have seen in the last 3 decades is that many countries around the world have had improvements in energy efficiency. The intensities, which is the energy over GDP, has come down over the years across all sectors. It's still a long way to go, and many of the emerging economies like India are also doing quite well. But there still remains a lot more to be done in terms of total investment requirements. You might have seen some of the recent numbers which came out of the International Energy Agency, that energy efficiency investments, what we are seeing today between the public sector and the private sector, is 1/4 of what it will be required to achieve the actual potential which will be needed to maintain the 1.5 degrees Celsius future of the world. And if that is the target, we need to ramp up the investments multiple times in energy efficiency. And these investments have to be done in buildings, in transport, in industry, in lighting, in HVAC cooling systems, in vehicles, etc. Now, if energy efficiency is so good and investments can be made, why is it not being picked up? And why is demand-side energy efficiency particularly facing so many barriers? It's really that money lying on the streets, but not easy to pick up. If there were the 2,000 rupee notes lying on the streets, it's much easier to pick up a lot of money just by collecting a few bills and few notes. But when that money is available in 10 rupee notes or in coins, then it really becomes a problem. And that's what the story of demand-side energy efficiency is. Energy efficiency is spread across small, dispersed measures across the industry, across the municipalities, public buildings, agriculture sector, household sector, etc. And it's very difficult to aggregate all of it in a manner that the transaction cost could be brought down. Unlike supply-side investments, which are quite capital intensive, large investments, as a result, the transaction costs are much less, whereas the energy efficiency investments are smaller and therefore the transaction cost becomes a problem. And over and top of that, not one size fits all in energy efficiency. What works in the street lighting sector may not work in the household sector. What works in the household sector may not work in the agricultural sector. And that is the challenge which we are facing in energy efficiency as a value proposition, as a part of the clean energy transition process, in spite of it being one of the most cost-effective measures. Now, what we have seen that money alone will also not solve the problem, and technologies alone will also not solve the problem. You have to have the right kind of policies and regulations, right kind of institutions, technical capacity, information and awareness, in addition to finance and technology, to make energy efficiency work at a scale which it should be done to achieve the 1.5 degrees Celsius future. Now, what I've shown here in this figure is a very famous petal diagram, which we often use in the World Bank projects. The World Bank has been doing energy efficiency between $1 to $2 billion every year. And many of our projects follow these principles of all having all these 5 pillars or 5 petals in place, which means just having regulations alone won't work. Just having finance alone won't work, similar to what we talk about institutions, information awareness, and technical capacity. You have to have progress in all of those 5 fronts to be able to achieve energy efficiency at scale. When it comes to financing, again, there is not one size fits all solution. And the objective of financing, as we mentioned earlier in the presentation, is not to use the limited amount of public finance which is available to promote energy efficiency, but to use that public finance or even World Bank finance and ADB finance and multilateral and concessional funds to unlock the private capital. There's a lot of liquidity in the markets around the world, including in India. But how to make that money to be used for energy efficiency and for delivering energy efficiency is a challenge for the financing community. And when we talk about financing, it's a financing ladder approach which really works, which means that you start with the basic financing mechanisms in a country where perhaps the banking system is not very mature. But when the banking system is more mature, like in India and Mexico or in South Africa or in Brazil or in China, you would then tend to go up the ladder and pick up the options which can work over there very well, like private ESCOs, etc. Somewhere in between is the public super ESCO, which also India has tried through the EESL approach, as you all know. Without going into too much of detail, because I have limited time today, I'm not going to spend too much time, but let me talk a little bit about what's going on in India as I understand And as I look at India, just like I look at 20 other countries sitting at the World Bank, where we do energy efficiency in many countries, and try to bring in ideas and experiences and lessons from one country to the another. In fact, India has done remarkably well. If you look at the overall performance since the Energy Conservation Act of 2001 was established. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency, which all of you are familiar with, and along with other agencies have been able to institutionalize many programs which are quite innovative, covers regulations, covers awareness, covers technical capacity building, even covers financing. And of course, many of the programs are dedicated to industries, they're dedicated to raising awareness, they're dedicated to utility demand side management, and they're dedicated to sectors like buildings. And when we compare India with many other countries, as we do through one of our flagship initiatives in the World Bank called RISE, which is Regulatory Indicators for Sustainable Energy, a lot of that information is available on this website shown on the slide. India actually ranks quite well on energy efficiency compared to many other countries. It got a score of 91 in the last round of RISE analysis, which compares 110 countries around the world in terms of the laws, the regulations, the sector planning, the governance in energy efficiency, in renewable energy and energy access. And as a result, what we have seen in India, because of the setting up of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, which my colleague would have just talked about in this event today, of course, the EESL program, the NMEEE policy, and the work which has been done by various states, we have seen a lot of progress made in India. This snapshot actually compares India with many other countries, including the OECD world. And if you look at the numbers in India, it's not too low. It's 91, which is actually at the high end compared to the Netherlands, compared to Portugal, compared to United Kingdom, and compared to Denmark, Australia, etc. This analysis also tells us that India is, of course, doing relatively better in renewable energy. It's all green. Green means good, red means bad in this case, and yellow is somewhere in between. In India, actually gets green scores for almost every factor which has been analyzed in the RISE diagnostics, comparing India to other countries, including the OECD countries, except for the building energy codes, which are still not very enforced very robustly, particularly when it comes to state level implementation. Other programs in India are going relatively well compared to other countries in the world. Now, the achievements of India are well reflected in this graph, which shows the analysis from the last decade. This was a report which was put out by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency on the left-hand side figure, which shows that energy savings have been achieved, energy consumption has come down, and therefore energy efficiency has improved. And on the right-hand side is another snapshot of the Ujala dashboard, which talks about light bulbs, which ESL has distributed since it was set up as a national program about 5 years ago, and has achieved almost 10,000 megawatts of peak load reduction by distributing over 365 million light bulbs, LED light bulbs, which are much more efficient than the incandescent bulbs they have replaced. And of course, ESL has gone ahead and replicated these programs for street lights, for ceiling fans, for air conditioners, for electric vehicles and whatnot. So what's happening at the national level in India in terms of the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, ESL, is also happening to some extent in the states of India. Not all states are doing well, but some states are doing remarkably well compared to the others. And you can see the green states here, again, what we call the achievers, are few, but yet the blue states, which are contenders, are also plenty. And again, this sort of shows that energy efficiency being a central activity being pushed by the NMEEE, by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, by ESL, also needs to be implemented equally well at the state level. Not every state has the right institutions, right financing, right policy, regulatory enforcement mechanisms, right kind of manpower, and therefore some states are doing relatively better than the others. But in terms of the numbers, of course, there's a huge amount of numbers which can be achieved. The lower figure, which is in thousands of, it's in crores, but also look at the large number. This clearly shows that a lot is yet to be achieved, while the progress has been made in the last 2 decades in India. And the analysis and the diagnostics at the state level done in this report, which was published by the Niti Aayog and AEEE and others, along with Bureau of Energy Efficiency, clearly shows where the problem lies and what needs to be strengthened more to achieve even more higher levels of energy efficiency improvements. I'm going to end here with a few slides of what the World Bank has been engaged with in India in the last 5 years, I must say. Since 2015, we have had a very successful run with what we call the partial risk sharing facility for energy efficiency in India, which is really supporting the ESCO market development through standardized transactions, through access to finance for ESCOs, through reliable payment mechanisms, and to improving technical capacity of ESCOs. And we have set up a risk-sharing mechanism, which is managed by Small Industries Development Bank of India, which works with many other banks and many ESCOs to achieve these goals. This is again a schematic showing how PRSF works. It is funded by Global Environment Facility Funds and the Clean Technology Funds. And as I said, it's managed by SIDBI, works with many institutions, many banks, and really helps the ESCOs get loans from these banks to be able to then achieve energy efficiency savings in end user consumers like municipalities, large buildings, MSMEs, and commercial buildings. The total corpus, $37 million, which was put, has been being used quite well. So far, we have seen 29, actually the number is much higher now, it's about 35, but as of 3 months ago, there were 29 projects with guarantees which were issued to loans given to ESCOs with a leverage of 3.2 times of private sector capital and loans. So what has happened is, as a result of $17 million of guarantees used by PRSF has leveraged over $55 million of investments in energy efficiency. That's 3.2 times leverage. And the technologies covered is a wide cross-section, sectors, again, diverse set of sectors, and ESCOs. Many of the medium and smaller ESCOs have benefited from this particular project in India, and it's going well and continues to push forward with many more projects in the future. All these banks are participating in the PRSF projects. And again, this is a topic which we can have a much more detailed discussion later on. But any of you who are interested in this may want to contact SIDBI PRSF team to find out more about how to access the PRSF facility. We also have a parallel loan of $220 million with EESL, which, as you know, is a public super ESCO, which has been working in LED lights, ceiling fans, street lights, air conditioners, etc. And we continue to work with EESL through this project in various areas, these existing areas, as well as some of the new areas in smart meters and solar, off-grid solar power stations, which EESL is involved with in the last few years. Again, a slide which I can skip. Everybody knows the EESL story of how it has been able to do bulk aggregation and bulk procurement to bring the cost of most efficient appliances and equipment down. This is a snapshot for how the prices of LEDs have come down. Even compared to China, it's quite attractive. And of course, therefore, I say that in India, a lot of things are happening well. Policies and regulations are in place. Finance is in place to some extent, technical capacity. We need a little bit more on information awareness. We need a little bit more on institutional accountability and governance and the monitoring and verification systems, but it's on the right track. And as the industry goes through what we call disruption, where traditional, generation to transmission, distribution to supply to consumption is really changing, with electric vehicles coming in, with variable renewable energy like solar photovoltaic panels, rooftop panels coming in, energy storage coming in, demand side management measures like smart meters, smart grids coming in. And of course, there's a lot of digitalization which is going on with big data. The whole industry is changing, and I call it the 5 mega trends: disruption, decarbonization, distribution, democratization, and digitalization. So what is happening is the energy efficiency opportunities are unlocking and strategies are evolving as we go along and look into the future. The next 2 decades of energy efficiency are going to be much more exciting. And I'm sure many of you who are connected today from India and from around the world would realize that there's a lot more we can do in terms of innovation and using some of these new areas and new trends, the mega trends. With this, I'm going to end my presentation with a few conclusions, which we have learned through the lessons to the World Bank energy efficiency development efforts. And I'm not going to read each one of them, but as I said, the key points are that ESCOs can be scaled up if you put the right model and the right kind of incentives in place. Communication and stakeholder awareness is very, very important. And the important part is that we have to think in an integrated manner: agricultural water nexus, air quality, cooling, which is a big elephant in the room, as we all know, electric vehicles. They all have to be looked together while we are thinking about energy efficiency and improving energy efficiency. It's the energy efficiency of the system which needs to be looked at in an integrated manner. Thank you very much once again to SEAM for providing me this opportunity. And again, best of luck. And we look forward to seeing you in person next year. Thank you.
Now we're getting back onto the awards. Next, we are starting with SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Power Plant category. For that, I welcome Mr. Srinivasan, Secretary, SEAM Tamil Nadu chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Awards for the Power Plant category. Sir, please.
SEAM Tamil Nadu chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to JSW Energy Limited 860 megawatt plant at Karnataka. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, JSW Energy Limited 860 megawatt power plant, Bellary, Karnataka. JSW Energy Limited 860 megawatt power plant, Bellary, Karnataka is a coal-based power plant with 860 megawatt turbines. They have more than 180 employees. They have a very effective energy coal and water monitoring systems. We have a representative from JSW Energy Limited 860 megawatt Bellary, Karnataka. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, all of you. This is Surya Prakash, head of the plant JSW Energy Vijayanagar. First of all, I would like to thank SEAM for recognizing our unit for this award. In the year 2000, we have started our operations, and immediately after our operations, we started getting many meritorious awards from the Ministry of Power and other statutory organizations for the best O&M practices in achieving a best heat rate, best auxiliary power consumption, etc. We also stood in the national records of running a 300 megawatt unit continuously for 711 days. And we also tested these units to run at only 70 megawatt as per the national requirement for the flexibilization. Sir, as you know that in the year 2014 and 15, there were a lot of reforms in the power sector, renewable power introduction, and also we exhausted all our long-term contracts. This has given an opportunity for us to improve our operations further to reduce auxiliary power consumption and heat rate even to part load. This has yielded this award. For this, once again, I would like to thank everyone and wish you all the best. Jai Hind.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Cement category. And for that I welcome Mr. Sunil Dange, SEAM Maharashtra chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Cement category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Maharashtra chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. J.K. White Cement Works, Rajasthan. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, JK White Cement, Rajasthan. JK White Cement, Rajasthan is a very premium white cement manufacturing plant in Rajasthan with 1,000 employees, which includes CEA and CEMS, centralized condition monitoring cells, mass awareness campaigns and training programs. We have a representative from JK White Cements. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Honorary members, distinguished guests, all the participants, all the energy engineers, myself as Kajan, President JK Cement. It is a really great matter of great pleasure to have got selected for the Cinema Award 2020. JK White Cement is a 38 years old company. It started with 300 TPD and today we are producing 1600 TPD. Our approach is always out of the box thinkings. We believe every time, everywhere, scope of improvement is always there. My team has done excellent job to have sustainable energy saving, resulting approximate 4 units per ton of cement saving. After getting this prestigious award, myself and my team got highly motivated and will continue this journey and will set the new milestones in the coming days. On these occasions, I congratulate to all the award winners and wishing the same journey continue. This will also help us against the global warming and make our country as a world leader for environmental protections. Thank you.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Aluminium category. For that, I invite Mr. Ashit Kumar Ray, SEAM Odisha chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Aluminium category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Odisha chapter. With pleasure, I announce Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. Vedanta Limited, Smelter 2, Special Economic Zone, Jharsuguda, Odisha. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Vedanta Limited, Smelter 2, Special Economic Zone, Jharsuguda, Odisha. Vedanta Limited, Smelter 2, Special Economic Zone, Jharsuguda, Odisha is one of the largest aluminium smelter plant with more than 10,000 employees, which includes CEA and CEMS. Active participation of more than 50% of the employees in ENCON initiatives were marked. Continual improvement in specific energy consumption reduction and water savings are made. So we have a representative from Vedanta Limited, Smelter 2, Special Economic Zone, Jharsuguda, Odisha. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Namaste, good afternoon. I am Sachin Gupta, Energy Manager of Vedanta Limited, Jharsuguda, India's largest producer of aluminium. We are committed to become the most energy efficient aluminium producer globally. Over the past 3 years, we have implemented more than 50 energy conservation projects at our operations. Our major intervention including implementation of 100% graphitized pots, 100% outdoor LEDs and extensive deployment of energy efficient machinery. We are a digitally first company adopting energy solution for improving energy efficient over smelters, casthouse and power plants. Currently, we are also exploring additional of renewable energy like solar to our energy mix. Last but not the least, I would like to thank SEAM team for considering our smelters for SEAM National Energy Conservation Award, SEMA 2020. Thank you very much. Namaste.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Engineering Industries category. For that, I welcome Mr. Nihar Ranjan Sahu, SEAM Chhattisgarh chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Engineering category. So please.
Greetings from SIM Chhattisgarh chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present the Gold Award, and the award goes to Enhance Automotive Systems India Private Limited, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Hanon Automotive System India Private Limited, Tamil Nadu. Hanon Automotive System India Private Limited, Tamil Nadu is a premium engineering company manufacturing automotive systems with more than 600 employees. They have a very active participation of almost all employees in ENCON activities. They have a periodic energy audits and energy saving projects implementations. We have a representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Good morning. I'm Prabhu, Plant Manager, Hanon Automotive Systems, Chennai. We thank SEAM National Energy Management Committee for their encouragement and support these years. We are happy to be part of yet another episode this year. Being in automotive industry, we consume more power and we have a greater responsibility in conserving it. We started our energy conservation journey in 2002 in a very small way. Use of sunlight for our shop floor lighting, machine idle time stops. We introduced LED lights, heat recovery system from the exhaust, upgrade of hydraulic to servo. These are some of the initiatives which we have put in for energy conservation. We have won the Platinum Award 4 times in a row since 2017 and we are deeply honored by it. And this year we have embarked on a green journey. We have installed 500 kilowatt peak solar power panels to our solar carport and also the admin block which is yielding 2,200 units per day. We are in the process of installing more such solar panels to our shop floor roof. I take this opportunity to thank SEAM for their education and motivation, which is helping us to do more and propel forward. And thank you very much. Please stay safe.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for cement category. For that, I invite Mr. Anurag Bajpai, Secretary, SEAM Uttar Pradesh Uttarakhand chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Awards for cement category. Sir, please.
नमस्कार, मैं आप सब लोगों का सोसाइटी ऑफ एनर्जी इंजीनियर्स एंड मैनेजर्स सीम उत्तर प्रदेश और उत्तराखंड चैप्टर्स की तरफ से स्वागत करता हूं. एंड विद प्लेजर आई आल्सो अनाउंस एंड प्रेजेंट द गोल्ड अवार्ड एंड इट गोज टू बिरला कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड यूनिट्स, चंदेरिया सीमेंट वर्क्स, राजस्थान. आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और बधाइयां इस पुरस्कार के लिए. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Birla Corporation Limited, Chanderia Cement Work, Rajasthan. Birla Corporation Limited, Chanderia Cement Work, Rajasthan is 4.3 million cement plant with more than 2,500 employees. They have a periodic energy audits, effective daily monitoring and reporting system. They also have a specific team for process optimization and fly ash absorption and AFR usage. We have a representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sunil Sood, Unit Head, Chanderia Cement Works. I would like to thank Cinema Committee to recognize our plant for this prestigious Energy Management Award. I am happy to be associated with this platform. It's a result of our visionary leadership and commitment of our top management towards energy conservation and dedicated efforts by Chanderia team for energy conservation initiatives. Our team has set new benchmarks in many KPIs in last few years, and I'm sure we'll break our own benchmarks in coming years. Thank you all.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for brewery category. For that, I welcome Professor Indraj Singh, SEAM Chandigarh, Punjab, Haryana coordinator, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for brewery category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Massar United Breweries Limited, a unit of Odisha. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, United Breweries Limited, Odisha. United Breweries Limited, Odisha is a premium brewery in the state of Odisha with more than 450 employees. They have 400 kilowatt on grid solar and systematic activities to reduce energy and water consumption. We have a representative from United Breweries Limited, Odisha. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
We are thankful to the Society of Energy Engineers and Managers for recognizing our continued efforts towards energy efficiency. We are committed to energy optimization through reduction of generation, distribution and usage for all forms of energy. As an organization, energy efficiency continues to remain our priority 1 KPI, and we are driving it through deployment, loss analysis and running ERR projects. As a responsible corporate citizen, it is our endeavor to maximize usage of green energy and to reduce carbon footprint. Thank you.
And in the gold category, next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2024 Power Plant category. For that, I welcome Mr. Gyanendra Saxena, SEAM Madhya Pradesh Coordinator, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Power Plant category. So please.
From SEAM MP chapter, we proudly announce Gold Awards, and it goes to Hindustan Zinc Limited 2 into 80 megawatt CPP Dariba smelter plant. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations 2 into 80 megawatt CPP Dariba smelter, Hindustan Zinc Limited, Rajasthan. 2 into 80 megawatt capacity power plant have more than 200 employees, which includes CEAs and CEMs. They also have improved plant PLF to optimize heat rate and auxiliary power consumption. They have 4 megawatt ground mounted solar plant for renewable energy generations. We have a representative from 2 into 80 megawatt CPP Dariba smelter, Hindustan Zinc Limited, Rajasthan. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Namaste. Good evening. This is Chandi Prasad Das. I am taking care of Dariba captive power plant unit, which is having 2 into 80 megawatt coal-based power plant. Hope we all are doing well during this pandemic situation, and I am very much thankful to SEAM for giving us the opportunity to showcase our energy and water saving projects during this pandemic situation. We have been applying various projects or initiatives in last 3 to 4 years on regular basis, and many of the times we have been appreciated or we have been adjourned as winner for our contribution on energy and water saving projects. So this year also we have applied for energy and water saving projects. So one of the project I just wanted to share that at Dariba CPP, this is one of the captive power plant location for Hindustan Zinc Limited. So here basically we use the STP water, so which we took from Udaipur, our nearby city, and as we are operating our power plant completely through STP water, so we normally face condenser choking in our turbines, so which is impacting our specific coal consumption through the vacuum loss. So to improve that, we have installed one online condenser cleaning system. So this is basically a ball system which will continuously clean the condenser tubes on a regular interval so that the deposition should not happen. So by this installation of the system, we could improve our vacuum for the one of our unit, and we have compared that we could able to get a benefit of 2 gram of specific coal consumption. So this is directly we are reducing the coal consumption. Then this is from the coal saving perspective. Another from safety perspective also, whenever we are waiting for any opportunity to do the condenser cleaning through the jet, high pressure jet. So we are also eliminating that because the high pressure jet used to operate at 50 kg pressure, so which is very high from safety point of view. So once again, I am thankful to SEAM for giving us opportunity to showcase our projects, and from energy point of view, yes, we have replaced many LED lights in place of the conventional lights which were of having a capacity more than 250 watt and 400 watt. So that is also we have presented in the competition. So many congratulations, thanks to the CE to continue the same spirit during this pandemic situation by organizing this virtual competition and identifying the true potential so that the companies will get motivated and they will also try to explore more and more possibilities or saving ideas even though everyone is passing through this pandemic situation. So once again, thank you, Sim, and hope we all will be doing good. So, thank you.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Agri Industries. For that, I welcome Dr. Saban Baumik, SEAM Northeast Coordinator, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Agri Industries. Sir, please.
Good day to all. Greetings from the SEAM. With pleasure, I announce the Gold Award and it goes to Messrs. ITC Limited, Agri Business Division, Chirala, Andhra Pradesh. Congratulations for the success.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations ITC Limited Agri-Business Divisions, Chirala, Andhra Pradesh. ITC Limited, Chirala, Andhra Pradesh is an agri-business division with more than 1500 employees. They have a very structured energy monitoring and review mechanism. They also have in-house team for CBM. They process optimization and innovative energy saving projects implementation. We have a representative from them. Let's hear from them. Welcome, sir.
Energy reduction over last years, also achieved 13% reduction in steam consumption over last 3 years. As part of ITC's ESG journey, we have an ambitious plan to achieve 50% energy through renewable energy, 50% reduction in specific emissions, 30% reduction in specific energy consumption, and 40% reduction in specific water consumption by 2030. So in this journey, we have already started doing few things, and recently we have put up 175 kilowatt solar power plant for our township, and then energy footprint of this township has 71% on renewable energy. We thank CM for giving this opportunity and feel proud to be part of larger forum which is working on energy efficiency and thus helping the nation to move in the right direction. Thank you.
And next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Tire category. For that, I invite Mr. Shishir Athale, former chairman, SEAM Maharashtra chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for the Tire category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. I have great pleasure in announcing the Gold Award for Energy Conservation to Apollo Tyres Limited, Perambra, Kerala. Congratulations to you. Greetings.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations Apollo Tyres Limited, Perambra, Kerala. Apollo Tyres Limited, Perambra, Kerala is the largest tyre makers of the country with more than 2,600 employees. They have an ISO 50001 certified tyre manufacturing plant with effective energy monitoring and review mechanism. We have an eminent personality from Apollo Tyres Limited, Perambra, Kerala. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Society of Energy Engineers and Managers, since its inception in 2005, is helping industries in their journey to achieve energy efficiency through energy audits and also by sharing knowledge and experience from other industries and experts. We thank you for your efforts. On behalf of Apollo Tyres, Perambra and Kalmasheri plants, I thank SEAM for this coveted award. 45% of our cost is for energy, and obviously it is one of the focus points to reduce the consumption and improve our efficiency. Our means to improve is measurement, monitor, control, benchmarking with similar industries, and adapting new technology. Moreover, we share best practices among Apollo plants, timely upgrade our equipments and processes based on the evolving technology. Thank you once again for this award. Thank you.
And next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Tire category. For that, I welcome Mr. Satwinder Singh Man, former Vice President, SEAM, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Tire category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. Apollo Tyres Limited, Kerala. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Apollo Tyres Limited, Kalamasheri, Kerala. Apollo Tyres Limited, Kalamasheri, Kerala is the largest tyre makers of the country with more than 750 employees. They have an ISO 50001 certified tyre manufacturing plant with effective energy monitoring and review mechanism. We have a representative from Apollo Tyres Limited, Kalamasheri, to talk to us. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Society of Energy Engineers and Managers, since its inception in 2005, is helping industries in their journey to achieve energy efficiency through energy audits and also by sharing knowledge and experience from other industries and experts. We thank you for your efforts. On behalf of Apollo Tyres, Perambra and Kalamasheri plants, I thank SEAM for this coveted award. 45% of our cost is for energy, and obviously it is one of the focus points to reduce the consumption and improve our efficiency. Our means to improve is measurement, monitor, control, benchmarking with similar industries, and adapting new technology. Moreover, we share best practices among Apollo plants, timely upgrade our equipments and processes based on the evolving technology. Thank you once again for this award. Thank you.
And before moving to the next award, we have a very important person to talk to us. In India, ordained agency to devise and implement energy conservation policy is Bureau of Energy Efficiency, an arm of Ministry Power Government of India. We are lucky to have the Secretary of Bureau Energy Efficiency, Mr. R.K. Rai, to illuminate us on various measures BEE has already taken and those which are being planned. So I welcome Mr. R.K. Rai. Welcome, sir.
Dear friend, this is the time for celebration. I am happy to bestow Best Performance Awards upon 3 SDAs. SDAs, in fact, are the agencies which help in implementing the national level policies and initiative at state level, that is at the ground level. It is at the state level that the policies are put to test of implementation and impact. The SDAs implement these programs obviously through impaneled or otherwise certified energy auditors and managers. Conventional government agencies rarely get appreciation from civil service societies, especially those working in the same field. There are bound to be more conflict and criticism than accolades. But yes, here is a welcome departure. SEAM is now recognizing the efforts of SDAs, and that makes these awards very special, and I can visualize how hard earned that could be. 3 SDAs are awarded the Best Performance Award. I am happy to declare the winner, and this goes to CREDA of Chhattisgarh, compliments, EMC of Kerala, congratulations, and HAREDA of Haryana, again compliments. I congratulate the winners and wish all success in future, and I also request the other SDAs to come forward and participate in the coming years. Thank you. Thank you.
Next, moving on to the awards, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Mineral category. For that, I welcome Dr. Pradeep Gupta, SEAM New Delhi chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Minerals category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. Carborundum Universal Limited, Electromineral Division, Kerala. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, Carborundum Universal Limited, Electro-Mineral Division, Kerala. Carborundum Universal Limited, Electro-Mineral Division, Kerala is an electro-mineral division of an adhesive manufacturing company with more than 200 employees. They have a very structured energy monitoring, review and analysis of power and fuel consumption. They also have energy audits and implementation of suggestions. We have a wonderful representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
This is the second time that Carborundum Universal Limited is being bestowed the prestigious SEAM National Energy Management Award. This award is a recognition of our ambitious efforts to attain net zero carbon emissions by 2030. The award will surely motivate us and is a reaffirmation of our actions to attain 25% energy reduction as well as to substitute our energy consumption with renewable energy. Thank you, SEAM. Together we will work to make India a globally recognized sustainable manufacturing hub. Thank you.
And next we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Pharmaceutical category. For that I welcome Dr. R.K. Yadav, SEAM New Delhi chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Pharmaceutical category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited, FTO SEZ, Process Unit 1, Andhra Pradesh. Congratulations and greetings.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited is a premier pharmaceutical company with more than 500 employees. They have a very effective employee engagement, periodic energy audits, and structured implementation of identified energy saving projects. We have a wonderful representative from Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Hi friends, thanks for giving this opportunity. I am really thanking you on behalf of Dr. Reddy's. So I am Srinivas Reddy Pattula. I am working as a site head for FTO SEZ PU1 at Vizag near Paidimavaram. It's a formulation plant. I am glad to share the energy journey with you on this occasion. We have started the journey in 2010. We have adopted ECS, Environmental Commitment Statement, for the coming 10 years with proper actions and timelines. We also embraced DREAMS, Dr. Reddy's Energy Assessment and Management System, which is a standard governance system to make this happen in a sustainable way. So this is based on ISO 15001, and now we have been experiencing a lot of returns, the investments, what we have made in this journey. So I just wanted to put some figures on this occasion. Overall, we have reduced the energy consumption and greenhouse gases emission over the years across Dr. Reddy's. And around, if you see the across company, we have reduced about 13% absolute greenhouse gases emissions for the last 3 years. And coming to this plant, we have improved about 50% energy savings and reduction in green gas emissions on a specific value.
And next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Steel Products category. For that, I invite Mr. C.M. Verghese, former chairman, SEAM Kerala chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Steel Products. Please, sir.
Greetings from SEAM. With the pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award to Messrs. Godavari Power and Ispat Limited, Chhattisgarh. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Godavari Power and Ispat Limited, Chhattisgarh. Godavari Power and Ispat Limited, Chhattisgarh is a steel manufacturing plant with more than 4,000 employees. They have a very effective involvement of most of the employees in ENCON activities. They have training needs assessments and planned training programs. They also have periodic energy audits, very effective tracking mechanism for project implementation and review. We have a representative from Godavari Power and Ispat Limited. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I, Vivek Agarwal, Chief Operating Officer, Godavari Power and Ispat Limited, a flagship company of Hira Group. First of all, wish to pay my thanks to SEAM team and our jury members on selecting us for this prestigious Energy Conservation Award. As you know, that Godavari Power Ispat Limited, a company promoted by Technocrat under the leadership of Sri B.L. Agarwal sir, and day-to-day operation managed by Shri Abhishek Agarwal sir. Being a company from Technocrats, we are having energy conservation and innovation in our blood and in our DNA. So doing energy conservation is our passion. Over a period of time, there had been series of improvement done in the plant to conserve energy. Some of them are such as improving the awareness at all levels, giving the best raw material for melting to avoid the wastage of energy in reduction or melting, adequate selection of equipments and drives, and having the best operating people. All these efforts had helped us in achieving the best energy performance, and today we can say that all our operations have achieved the energy level as a benchmark in its profile of operation. Getting this award is definitely a great proud moment for us.
Next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2024 Foundry category. For that, I welcome Mr. Anthony Joseph, former chairman, SEAM Kerala chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Foundry category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. Ashok Leyland Limited, Foundry Division, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, Ashok Leyland Limited, Foundry Division, Tamil Nadu. Ashok Leyland Limited, Foundry Division, Tamil Nadu is one of the premium automobile manufacturer in the country. They have more than 1400 employees. They have a very systematic small group activities and effective implementation of energy saving projects. We have a representative from them, and let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Greetings to all. I am Kamal Basha, heading the Foundry Divisions of Ashok Leyland Limited. First of all, I would like to congratulate the award winners and all the other participants. I feel delighted and proud for receiving this prestigious award on behalf of Ashok Leyland. Some of the key strategies in achieving the sustainable energy performance were optimizing the energy consumption in induction furnaces through the use of problem-solving methodologies, improving the plant availability and increasing the throughput, reducing our carbon footprint through various actions like switching over to renewable energy resources, wind and solar, creation of dense forest. More than 42,000 trees were planted in the last 4 years, becoming a water positive unit by generating water from ponds inside the factory, and usage of treated water from STP and ETPs for watering the greenery, and more such actions. I am sure that this award will be a motivational factor for all of us, not only on energy conservation, but also to strive for energy excellence. Thank you.
And next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2024 Food Processing category. And for that, I invite Mr. Giridhar, Joint Secretary, SEAM Tamil Nadu chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Food Processing category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Tamil Nadu chapter. With great pleasure, I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Mrs. Tata Coffee Limited, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Tata Coffee Limited, Tamil Nadu. Tata Coffee Limited, Tamil Nadu is a part of India's pioneer coffee maker with more than 600 employees. Year after year, improving plant energy performance through various end-to-end measures and systematic practices. We have a representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
On behalf of Tata Coffee Limited and the entire organization, I would like to mention that we are extremely proud and honored to be shortlisted for the SEEM National Energy Management Award for the season 2021. We have extensively worked on reducing our dependency on non-renewable sources of energy by channelizing both wind and solar power for operations in both our instant coffee plants in India. Utilizing wind energy through the group captive power scheme and our solar plants, we continue to lead these initiatives towards conservation of energy. We've also installed a 500 kilowatt solar plant in our Teni factory recently, and 80% of the energy used in Teni is from renewables resources. We have cut down the consumption of our coal usage in the spray dried unit, and we have also initiated eco-friendly ways of disposing the fly ash generated. This recognition certainly encourages all of us here at Tata Coffee to remain proactive and consistent towards our commitment towards a sustainable future. Thank you very much.
We have a plethora of award functions happening around the globe, but our question is, what makes SEAM Award different from other similar awards? We have our chairman, Mr. Jayakumar, to answer this question, so I welcome Mr. Jayakumar.
Most of the energy conservation awards focus more on reduction in specific energy consumption or absolute quantity of energy saved. When we designed SNEMA, we had a lot of deliberations and finalized a 10-point criteria, which later modified to 11-point criteria to give more weightage to organizations, those who are observing December 14th as National Energy Conservation Day. Our 10-point criteria includes involvement of employees, energy monitoring and review mechanism, training, periodic energy audits, condition-based maintenance, implementation of latest energy conservation measures, use of renewable energy, water conservation, mass awareness campaigns, and finally the reduction in specific energy consumption. So with this detailed evaluation, each participating organization will get a fair assessment of their energy management practices and get an opportunity to improve year after year. This makes SNEMA unique and being widely accepted by the industry. Thank you.
And next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2024 Palm Oil Agro-Based category. For that, I welcome Mr. Viraf B. Karanjwala, former chairman, SEAM Maharashtra chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Palm Oil Agro-Based category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM Maharashtra chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present the Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. Godrej Agrovet Limited, Oil Palm Plantations, Andhra Pradesh. Congratulations to the team.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Godrej Agrovet Limited, Oil Palm Plantation, Andhra Pradesh. Godrej Agrovet Limited is an agro-based company which is the part of India's premium business house with corporate level visionary leadership in sustainability activities. They have more than 100 employees. They also have a very effective energy conservation team available for implementation of projects. We have a wonderful representative from Godrej Agrovet Limited Oil Palm Plantation. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, SEAM, for recognizing our efforts towards sustainable energy management. We are committed to reduce specific energy, increase renewable energy footprint, and reduce carbon emission. Our oil palm plantation business reduced specific energy by 12% and used 99% renewable energy. We will continue our efforts to conserve the environment. Thank you.
And next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2024 Thermal Power Plant category. For that, I invite Mr. Rajiv Gyani, SEAM Chhattisgarh chapter, to announce SEAM Gold Award for Thermal Power Plant category. Sir, please.
From SEAM's Chhattisgarh chapter, I have the pleasure to announce and present the Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs 90 Megawatt Captive Power Plant, Zawar Mines, Hindustan Zinc Limited, Rajasthan. Congratulations and greetings.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations 90 Megawatt CPP Zawar Mines of Hindustan Zinc Limited, Rajasthan. 90 Megawatt captive power plant have more than 150 employees with effective energy management team under unit head, focused improvement activities and effective monitoring and review mechanism. We have a representative from 90 Megawatt CPP Zawar Mines of Hindustan Zinc Limited. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Hi all. Hope you, your family, your friends and colleagues are safe. We are from Zawar CPP, Zawar Mines, a unit of Hindustan Zinc Limited, located near to Udaipur, Rajasthan. We at Excedel continuously strive to break the benchmarks in terms of energy saving, as we believe every unit of energy saved is generated. And this award will further give us immense energy and motivation towards focusing and speeding up various energy saving initiatives at our site. We are thankful to SEM officials for giving such a great platform and opportunity for sharing and learning the best practices across the industries. Thanks to all once again.
And next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2024 IT/ITES category. For that, I invite Mr. Abraham Verghese, SEAM Karnataka chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for IT/ITES category. So please.
Greetings from SEAM Karnataka chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present the Gold Award, which goes to Mrs. Alliance Technology Maharashtra. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Alliance Technology SE Pune, Maharashtra. Alliance Technology SE Pune, Maharashtra is a premium ITES facility in the state of Maharashtra with more than 500 seats. They continually improve their energy performance through structured energy audits and effective implementation and review. We have a representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
I'm extremely proud at Alliance Technology in India from an ESG standpoint when the team is implementing these ideas into actions in our facilities using very technological advancements. I think is superly amazing. Extremely proud of them that year on year consistently they garner these recognitions from esteemed institutes and organizations like yourself.
Thank you, sir. And next in the gold category, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for building category. For that, I welcome Mr. Santosh Warrior, former treasurer, seen to announce the SEAM Gold Award for building category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce the Gold Award, and it goes to Maitri Tower ICICI Bank Limited, Karnataka. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, ICICI Bank Limited, Maitri Tower, Bangalore. ICICI Bank Limited, Maitri Tower, Bangalore, Karnataka is a part of India's premium corporate business house in the banking sector with focused activities in energy conservation and management. They have an effective monitoring and review mechanism and structured activities through infra team. We have a representative from ICICI Bank Limited, Maitri Tower, Bangalore. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
ICICI Bank is committed to conserve environment. We believe that by integrating the idea of preserving the environment into our business paradigm, our work can have a positive impact. This is particularly important as we conduct business all over the country. Our strategy to manage our environmental footprint is based on efficient usage of energy with a focus to manage and conserve it. Our energy conservation strategy focuses on 3 areas to help us achieve our energy goals. They are improvement of existing energy efficiencies, investment in superior design and technology, and adoption of renewable energy. Since year 2016, ICICI Bank is participating in SEAM Awards. We believe that SEAM Energy Award is one of the best platforms for the organization that have made outstanding contributions in the area of energy efficiency to showcase their efforts and achievements. We sincerely thank SEAM Energy Committee for giving us an opportunity to participate, recognize and award us for our efforts toward energy management.
And next, we have SEAM Gold Awards 2020 for Energy Conservation Service Provider. For that, I welcome Mr. R. Gopalakrishna, mentor, SEAM Andhra Pradesh, Telangana chapter, to announce the SEAM Gold Award for Energy Conservation Service Provider. So please.
Greetings from SEAM AP in Telangana chapter. I announce and present Gold Award, and it goes to Messrs. Urza Biosystems Private Limited, Maharashtra. Congratulations and greetings.
And congratulations, Urja Biosystems Private Limited, Pune, Maharashtra. Urja Biosystem Private Limited, Pune, Maharashtra is a premium waste to energy service provider with successful projects across the country in biogas and biogas based power generation units. They have expertise in converting poultry waste, cattle dung, municipal and sewage waste processing. We have a representative from Urja Biosystem Private Limited. Let's hear to him. Welcome, sir.
Good morning all. It gives us immense pleasure to get this National Level Energy Management Award 2020 for your organization SEEP. It was really a great moment to get selected for such a prestigious award. Such national level award will definitely boost our morale and will help us to continue our services in waste management. We the whole Urja team gives our sincere thanks for this recognition. Thank you. Jai Hind.
And in the gold category, next we have SEEM Gold Awards 2020 for Energy Conservation Service Provider. For that, I invite Mr. G. Rudra Narasimha Rao, SEEM Karnataka chapter, to announce the SEEM Gold Award for Energy Conservation Service Provider. Sir, please.
SEEM Karnataka chapter, with the pleasure, I announce and present Golden Award, and it goes to VSL Prayag Energy Service Systems and Services, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, VSL Prayag Energy Systems and Services, Chennai. VSL Prayag Energy Systems and Services, Chennai is a premium energy conservation service provider with expertise in industrial energy saving projects implementation across the country. We have a representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Namaste. First of all, I would like to thank the Board of Jury of SEEM for honoring us with this National Energy Management Award. We are deeply moved by this recognition that we are receiving from an establishment as formidable as SEEM for all our efforts in sustainable energy performance. We are passionate about energy conservation, and this is what we have been doing since 3 decades. We find great pleasure in going that extra mile to try and make each client the most energy efficient that we have ever worked on. On behalf of the entire team of VSL Prayag, today I humbly dedicate this award to all our clientele who evinced great confidence in our re-engineering technology. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. And here we come to an end to the Gold Awards. SEEM Gold Awards are done. Before moving into the SEEM Platinum Awards, we have an eminent personality to talk to us. SEEM is getting into its teens. The journey so far had its exciting moment, turbulent times. It is always satisfactorily experienced to look back and tell the world how we have reached so far. And we take this occasion to have some crystal ball gazing as well. So I invite our past president, UVK Rao, to take us through the past, present and future of SEEM. Welcome, sir.
Greetings. We at the Society of Energy Engineers and Managers, SEEM, are excited and at the same time humbled at your presence in India Energy Conclave 2021 and SEEM National Energy Management Awards 2020 event in thousands, a record creating audience in the history of Society of Energy Engineers and Managers, and for that matter, a record of sorts for any professional body to be having such a large gathering. I am delighted to take you through a brief tour of SEEM's journey and what lies ahead. The foundation of SEEM as a very first organized body as a not-for-profit organization for energy professionals was laid in 2005 by dedicated and a passionate team with a combined experience of 200 man-years. Dr. R. Harikumar, Dr. P.S. Chandramohan, Mr. C. Jayaraman, Mr. A.P. Jose, Mr. Christy Abraham, Mr. Manoj P.S., Mr. K. Madhusudanan, all joined hands to give birth to SEEM as an everlasting professional body. The origins of SEEM were at the Prithvi Global Eco Summit by the legendary Professor M.G. Menon in 2005 when SEEM was launched in Thiruvananthapuram. I was indeed happy that I, U.V. Krishnamohan Rao, received the first copy of the bylaws of SEEM from the hands of Ms. Leena Mehendale, the then Executive Director of the Petroleum Conservation Research Association of India. SEAM Energy Manager magazine was commenced in 2008 with Mr. K. Madhusudanan as founder editor, and with no break to date, every quarter, SEAM has been doing awesome service in sharing this knowledge through this magazine. SEAM has been having the blessings of and association of several national and international organizations, amongst which ADEME of France has collaborated with SEAM with the active initiation and support of Dr. Brahmanand Mohanty. For National Non-Aligned Movement NAM, SEAM has conducted once in 3 years international training programs across multiple cities. SEAM has been instrumental in giving inputs and promoting issues like Energy Conservation Building Code, ISO 50001, just to name two of the several themes of our times. SEAM is the Society of Energy Professionals, for energy professionals, and by energy professionals. As of 2021 now, SEAM has a membership of 2,567 energy professionals, including student members, with presence in 22 Indian states, represented by 15 state chapters and 7 centers. SEAM has growing student chapters, currently 12 of them spread across the country. At SEAM, we believe that the subject of energy has to be dealt not in isolation, but needs to encompass in totality, namely sustainability. SEAM believes in circular economy, integrating technology and developments with humane and biodiversity aspects. Various studies, reports, and action plans by national and international organizations time and again have been revealing and stating the mind-boggling facts and importance of the energy sector, including from the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, the 2 International Energy Agency reports, IEA reports titled India Energy Outlook 2021 and Net Zero by 2050, a roadmap for the global energy sector, the United Nations report titled Transforming Our World, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. And for additional examples, now in this very same event, we hear in this event from Mr. R.K. Rai, Mr. Padhu Padmanabhan, Dr. Ashok Sarkar, all these stalwart supporters of SEAM reiterate about the humongous size and importance of the energy sector. A key objective of SEAM is to pursue for providing capacity building of people resources for local, state, and central levels, support state designated agencies, support micro, mini, small, medium enterprises, support individuals who are interested in sustainability. Pride and stature of the energy professionals not only to be maintained, but also enhanced multifold by 2031. SEAM is there. What would be SEAM in 2031? Energy professionals would be the most wanted now and more profoundly wanted in the years to come, both in terms of quality and in terms of quantity. Fortunately, we can rise up. For example, there are 6,007 engineering colleges in India as we speak now. In various streams of engineering, by 2031, we would be generating 4 million engineers. Talking about colleges of energy and sustainability courses offered in India, you'll be happy to know we already have as many as 219 colleges producing energy professionals, and by 2031, there would be 1 million more energy professionals. SEAM would rise up to attend to these resources. Sky is not the limit. There would be at least 500 types of job opportunities in the sustainability space. SEAM would continue to make energy professionals the most important to be proud of, with at least 10 international centers across all the continents. So SEAM would also have the presence in all the 28 Indian states and 8 union territories by the year 2031. I do hope I have reinforced the idea to you that SEAM is there for everything concerning energy and sustainability, and look forward to your continued partnership in this journey. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking us to the journey or through the journey of SEAM. So next, we are moving to SEAM Platinum Awards 2020. First, we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for engineering category. For that, I welcome Mr. UVK Rao, the past president of SEAM, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for engineering category. Sir, please.
Greetings. Greetings from Society of Energy Engineers and Managers, SEAM, and it is indeed with great pleasure I am pleased to announce and present the most coveted Platinum Award to Messrs. Delphi TVS Technologies Limited, Mannur, Tamil Nadu. Many congratulations. Greetings once again.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, Delphi TVS Technologies Limited, Mannur, Tamil Nadu. Delphi TVS Technologies Limited, Mannur, Tamil Nadu is a premium engineering business house with more than 1,500 workforce having ISO 50001 certification. They have installed proper energy monitoring systems and structured review mechanism. They have a very systematic training program for employee empowerment, and a strong mechanism ensures sustainability. We have a representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Good morning to all. Myself Venkateshwaran from Delphi TVS Technologies, Chennai. First of all, I want to thank the SEAM management for giving us the opportunity to participate in this energy competition. We have done several energy conservation projects for the sake of the organization and also for the benefit of the nation. Thank you very much.
And next in the Platinum Awards, we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for Aluminium category. For that, I invite Mr. Prem Prakash Mittal, former President, SEAM, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for Aluminium category. So please.
Greeting from SEAM UP chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present Platinum Award, and it goes to Messrs. Hindalco Industries Limited, UP. Congratulations and greetings.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Hindalco Industries Limited, Renukud. Hindalco Industries Limited, Renukud is India's prestigious aluminium manufacturing company with more than 7,000 employees. A designated consumer under PAT mechanism who is continually improving their energy performance, a periodic energy audits. They have a structured energy monitoring and review mechanism. We have a representative from Hindalco Industries Limited, Renukud. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
On behalf of Hindalco family, we thank SEAM management team for giving this prestigious award to Hindalco Integrated Unit Renukud, and we are very much delighted to receive this award. Hindalco has consciously ingrained sustainability in every aspect of our aluminum business, which is highly energy intensive process, by stretching ourselves to adopt more meaningful ways to reduce our impact on the planet, which while still delivering exciting products and sustainable solutions to our customers. Even in COVID pandemic situation, sustainability is major challenges for any industry, but entire Hindalco team has focused on energy conservation, and Renukud is only single plant in Asia which is running with 70 kilo amp spot cells in smelter. We are competing world best smelters, and our specific DC power consumption is 13,700 kilowatt hour per metric ton against the world best of 13,420 by implementing solid bus bar, step stub, carbon anode, etc. in smelters. Definitely these awards reflect the ongoing efforts of all our employees to make our facilities greener, stronger, smarter and more energy efficient. Once again, thank you all.
And next we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for Cement category. So I welcome Mr. Girish MN, SEAM New Delhi chapter, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for Cement category. So please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Platinum Award and it goes to Miss Birla White, unit of Ultratech Cement, Rajasthan. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, Ultratech Cement Limited, Birla White, Rajasthan. Ultratech Cement Limited, Birla White, Rajasthan is a premium white cement manufacturing plant in Rajasthan. DC under PAT mechanism effectively carried out mandatory energy audits, M&V systematic training programs, publishing in-house magazine Energy Pulse for disseminating knowledge and information, maintained lower SEC even during lower production due to pandemic. We have a representative from Ultratech Cement Limited, Birla White. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
On behalf of Birla White, myself Alok Nigam, Plant Head, accepts the SEAM National Energy Management Award. This award is a result of continuous hard work and improvement initiative of all the members of the Birla White. We at Birla White have a consistently working towards achieving sustainable energy performance by innovative solutions and technological upgradations. My sincere thanks to the SEAM for recognizing our efforts in the field of sustainable energy performance. Thank you.
And next we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for cement category, and for that I invite Mr. T.A. Ahmed Kabir, Treasurer SEAM Kerala chapter, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for cement category. Sir, please.
Greeting from SEAM with pleasure. I announce and present Platinum Award, and it goes to Sri Digvijay Cement Company Limited, Gujarat. Congratulations and greetings. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, Sri Digvijay Cement Company Limited, Gujarat. Sri Digvijay Cement Company Limited, Gujarat is a premium cement manufacturer from the state of Gujarat with continually improving energy performance. They have focused energy optimization plans and cost reduction initiative. They also have waste heat recovery system capacity, procurement of wind power, effective rainwater harvesting systems, periodic inspections and structured maintenance management system. We have a representative from them, and let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
We at Digvijay Cement appreciate the systematic and methodological approach adopted by SEAM Award. It provides robust framework to monitor and improve upon and not only energy performance but also water management, renewable energy management, and the best from waste. We urge all other industries to come forward and participate in this event. We wish all the best to SEAM Award. Thank you very much.
And next we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for Pulp and Paper category, and for that I welcome Dr. R. Harikumar, Founder General Secretary, SEAM, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for Pulp and Paper category. Sir, please.
Namaste. Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure I announce and present the Platinum Award, and it goes to Messrs. Built Graphic Paper Products Limited, Bellarpur Unit, Maharashtra. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Built Graphic Paper Products Limited, Bellarpur, Maharashtra. Built Graphic Paper Products Limited, Bellarpur, Maharashtra is one of the largest graphic paper products manufacturer of the country with more than 3,000 employees with near to 100% employee engagement in energy conservation and management. They have ISO 50001 certified and DC under PAD mechanism and conducting various socially relevant awareness programs for the society. We have a representative from Built Graphic Paper Products Limited, Bellarpur. Welcome, sir.
BGPPL Ballarpur is an integrated pulp and paper mill. Our 60% of the energy requirement is made through RE sources. With our commitment, we have achieved 4% electrical and 4% thermal energy saving over last year, keeping the same capacity utilization. We are achievers of PAT Cycle 1 and PAT Cycle 2 targets. 33,842 e-certs were awarded to us at the end of PAT Cycle 2. We are recipients of the awards at state and national level. We thanks SEAM for shortlisting to this award.
And in the Platinum category, next we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for Steel Products category. For that, I welcome Mr. Mithun Chittawar, SEAM Maharashtra chapter, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for Steel Products category. So please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure I announce and present Platinum Award, and it goes to Messrs. Jindal Stainless, Hisar. Heartiest congratulations. All the best.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Jindal Stainless Hisar Limited, Haryana. Jindal Stainless Hisar Limited, Haryana is one of the premium steel maker of the country with more than 2,000 employees, which includes CEA and CEM's structured, dedicated and trained energy management team with clear focus on continual improvement and sustainability practices. We have a representative from their team. Welcome, sir.
Respected jury and friends from industries, I'm Vijay English, Head of Manufacturing, would like to express our gratitude to SEAM for continuously recognizing ESHL efforts towards green growth. During the last 3 years, we have implemented many energy conservation and renewable energy and technology upgradation projects, which has resulted in a reduction in electricity close to 27 million units and thermal energy equivalent to 1,150 tons of oil equivalent. Reduction in energy consumption has not only helped us in lower production costs but reduced GHG emission of the plants by 16%. We, with a team of 24 energy experts and knowledge support from dairy, are targeting to achieve minimum carbon footprint in steel production through energy, water conservation, waste minimization, and enlarging the share of renewables. ESHL is committed to continuing a green growth journey for the betterment of society as well as the environment. Thank you.
And next, we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for the tire category. And for that, I welcome Mr. Alpesh Pandya, Treasurer, SEAM, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for the tire category. So please.
Warm welcome to all members and guests. I represent SEAM Gujarat chapter. With great pleasure, I announce and present Platinum Award, and it goes to Messrs. JK Tire and Industries Limited, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations to JK Tire management team and wish them continual success for coming years.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations JK Tire and Industries Limited, Chennai Tire Plant. JK Tire and Industries Limited, Chennai Tire Plant is a premium tire manufacturer in the country with more than 1,200 employees. They have dedicated energy management cell and effective small groups for projects identification and implementation. They also have advanced EMS system, rooftop solar plants and windmills. We have a representative from them. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Good morning. I'm Undi Nair, Unit Head of JK Tires, Chennai. It's my privilege and pleasure to share my thoughts on receiving SEAM National Energy Management Award 2020. I feel proud to say that we are receiving this award for the last 4 years. SEAM National Energy Management Award is an excellent platform to benchmark our energy performance and to showcase the efforts and achievements. Energy Award program has been designed to cover all the aspects. Last year, we achieved an energy benchmark level of 8.3 gigajoules per ton of production, which is 25% less compared to the baseline year. This result is among the best 3 in the world. Improvement in energy and renewable energy has resulted in phenomenal 49.1% reduction in the carbon footprint. The award gives us nationwide recognition, which inspires the entire workforce to look for further improvement. It also builds our brand.
Thank you, sir. And next, we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for cement category. And for that, I invite Mr. Sunil Chowdhury, Joint Secretary SEAM, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for cement category. So please.
Greetings from SEAM Rajasthan chapter. With pleasure, I announce and present the Platinum Award, and it goes to Messrs. Orient Cement Limited, Telangana, Congratulations, greetings.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations, Orient Cement Limited, Telangana. Orient Cement Limited, Telangana is an integrated cement plant with more than 1,000 employees, DC under PAT, with achieved and surpassed targets. They have a group with focused improvement in the renewable energy generation, which includes solar, wind, and WHR. They also have effective rainwater harvesting and sustainability practices. So we have an eminent personality from Orient Cement Limited. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
Good evening, everybody. I am very happy, and it's our privilege to receive the award, SEAM National Energy Award 2021. Really, it gives me immense pleasure, and it is rewarding towards the energy saving, energy conservation aspects in our plant. Our plant, established in the year 1982, it is of CK Birla Group's company, and having 3.5 million tons of capacity of clinkerization at a single location. So we are adopting so many energy conservation measures, utilization and the application of the VFDs, energy saving equipments, etc. And similarly, the plant optimization and looking for the productivity in all respects, and avoiding the idle runnings. These are all the main aspects. Re-engineering is also one of the aspects that which we are looking into, and correcting the designing aspects in many ways. With these things, we are better and trying to achieve the benchmarking levels, and it's our happy and privilege, and thank you one and all for this.
And next we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2020 for Cement category. For that I welcome Mr. Jayaprakash Narayanan, Chairman SEAM Karnataka chapter, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for the Cement category. So please.
Greetings from SEAM Karnataka chapter. We announce and present the Platinum Award, and it goes to JK Cements Limited, Mangrol, Rajasthan.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations. JK Cement Limited, Mangrol, Rajasthan is the winner. JK Cement Limited, Mangrol, Rajasthan is a premium cement manufacturing plant with more than 1,400 employees, which include CEA and CEMs. DC under PAT achieved and surpassed targets. Dedicated preventive maintenance cell. We have a representative from JK Cement Limited, Mangrol. Welcome, sir.
It's my pleasure to hear that JK Cement Mangrol won the award in SEAM. It has become possible due to consistent efforts and hard work by our O&M team. We at JK Cement believe in delivering the best quality cement to our customers by taking environment friendly and energy efficient measures. We are working hard in direction of using alternative fuel at the maximum level. Total alternative fuel consumption in Mangrol was 65,580 metric ton in the year. In financial year 1920, Mangrol invested 3.41 crore rupees on energy conservation projects and saved more than 10.6 crore rupees. We are also adopting the different methodology to save energy. We are exploring the opportunity to install solar power at our units. We are working towards our goal to achieve the carbon neutral in coming years. We are planning to become water positive this year. We are not leaving any stone unturned to preserve the environment and energy. Once again, thank you to make this happen.
And next we have SEAM Platinum Awards 2024 IT/ITES category. For that, I welcome Dr. C.S. Asad, General Secretary, SEAM, to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for IT/ITES category. Sir, please.
Greetings from SEAM. With pleasure, I announce and present Platinum Award, and it goes to Messrs. Alliance Services Private Limited, Kerala. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations. Alliance Service Private Limited, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala is the winner. Alliance Service Private Limited Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala is a premium ITES facility in the Gold Zone country with more than 1500 seats, implemented energy efficiency measures during project stage itself and is continually improving energy performance through structured energy audits. They have very effective implementation and review, and we have a representative from Alliance Service Private Limited. Welcome, sir.
This is a proud moment for Alliance Services India to be a winner at the SEAM National Energy Management Awards. Sustainability is one of our top priorities, wherein we keep focusing on the future to make it better for us and for the generations to come. Thank you so much for recognizing our efforts in energy conservation and sustainability. Thank you.
And next, we come to an end in the Platinum Awards. And here we have the most premium award, which is SEAM Platinum Award 2020 for corporate houses. And for that, I welcome Mr. Padhu Padmanabhan to announce the SEAM Platinum Award for corporate houses. So please.
I am happy to announce and confer the Platinum Award in Corporate Strategy to Messrs. Alliance Technology SC along with Alliance Services Private Limited, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you, sir. And congratulations, Alliance Technology SE along with Alliance Services Private Limited, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala is the winner. Congratulations. The 2020 SEAM Energy Management Awards in the category of corporate business houses seek to identify and honor the most respected companies, rewarding outstanding performance, innovation and clarity of energy management goals in all areas of its operations. The finalist is a very classic example of focused corporate activity. They started its energy conservation journey few years back, but they are continually improving their energy performance of all their facilities year after year. They have implemented energy efficiency during new projects. They have also achieved various awards in the past few years, which include SEAM Awards, awards from the State Designated Agency and Bureau of Energy Efficiency. Once again, congratulations Alliance Technology SE along with Alliance Service Private Limited. We have a representative and most eminent person to talk to us. Let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
It's an absolute honor to receive this award, which in itself is a testament towards our consistent efforts and commitment in the direction of environmental sustainability. It reflects our continuous efforts to reduce carbon footprints. The teams at Alliance Technology India and Alliance Services India are committed to ESG, reduction in greenhouse gas emissions, energy conservation, and CO2 reduction.
And before we move forward, we have another eminent personality to talk to us. International alliance have always been a strength for SEAM. We are very much fortunate to forge such alliance in different stages of our journey. ADME of France and CRESF China are among those alliance. We are very much happy to have Professor Ma Dingping of Chongping Renewable Energy Society to felicitate us. Welcome, sir.
Hello everyone, my name is Dingping Ma, the Secretary General of Chongqing Renewable Energy Society. I am also a senior engineer. Our society signed a cooperation agreement with the SEAM as 6th China-India Storage Economic Dialogue (SED) in 2019. Here we wish success of SEAM's annual meeting and hoping everyone stay in safety and health. Let's fight for the victory over COVID-19. Recalling the size we signed the agreement 2 years ago, we had carried out several activities in for exchange. We recommend the members of the organization participate the 2019 SEAM's annual meeting. At meeting, we introduced our experiences in energy saving of the enterprise in China. We collect how the production of the member can meet India needs. And we also communicate with the same member and learn about the real-world feedback to China products. Also in 1920, we meeting for the third time for the workshop of the energy efficient cooling in New Delhi to discuss the core agent, the China energy saving special issue and usher practitioner cooperation. But the COVID-19 came and the plan active was delayed. Despite that, the two organizations also keep in touch through the online event and email. I also want to express a special thanks to SEAM for your donation of masks and your help with mask purchase in March 2020. Thank you very much. With the COVID-19 is gradually controlled, we can retain our cooperations normally, such as energy savings for the industry park in Southeast Asia country. The application of renewable energy in the industry park in India, the energy saving production automation, the green product supply, the climate education for postgraduate study, online webinar, and other more. China and India are the neighbors, and our environment is a connector. We can learn each other in many areas. China is a good manufacturing ability and manufacturing, and India have the excellent engineer. We hope we can work together to adopt and mitigate climate change achievement, such as US SDGs. Chongqing is a city located in South China and adjacent to India. Only 4 hours fly to New Delhi. Welcome to Chongqing and keep in touch. Thank you very much.
Here we come to a conclusion or the concluding segment of our award ceremony. I'm sure you all had a great time, and once again congratulations to all the winners. And now I invite our Chief Operating Officer Mr. G. Krishna Kumar to offer a word of thanks. Please, sir.
Thank you, Anu. Distinguished guests, my colleagues in SEAM, the august audience who have joined from far and wide. It is always a pleasure to conclude a successful event and thank those who made it successful. This was a first of its kind for SEAM to attempt online award event. It was exciting for us in SEAM and we enjoyed every bit of it, and there was no dull moments in last 5 months for us. To come to my duty, let us thank our chief guest, Dr. Pathu Padmanabhan, who consented to be our guest and accept our recognition of Lifetime Contribution Award. Thank you, sir. Dr. Ashok Sarkar was way across the globe and in spite of his packed schedule could oblige us with his contribution in time. Thank you, sir. Mr. R.K. Roy had hectic days when we contacted him and he took pains to squeeze in some time for us. Thank you, sir. Professor Ma Dingping, General Secretary of CRES, was kind enough to send in his felicitations in time. Thank you, sir. The winners of the day, their leadership and ranks who worked for their achievements and who were a part of this today's event deserve a big thank you. Our knowledge partners, Asia Power Quality Initiative, International Copper Association, and associate partner Voda Luft had extended support to us and this event. Thank you, sirs. Our own leaders, President Sri M.C. Jain, General Secretary Dr. Azad, Vice President and Chairman of Awards Mr. Jay Kumar, Treasurer Mr. Alpesh Pandya, Joint Secretary Mr. Sunil Chowdhury, Immediate Past President Mr. UV Karao, our founder member and former General Secretary Dr. Jayaraman, Chief of Jury Ms. Gayatri Nair, and the Executive Council of SEAM consisting of Chairman and Secretaries of our 15 state chapters had relentlessly worked on and off the screen to make this event successful. Along with these leaders, the members of SEAM contributed their efforts to see the success of this event. Thanks goes to Ms. Minnie and Sharanya also, who were giving all back support from the office. Mrs. Big Brand and Jane's team gave us all confidence in our maiden attempt for an online event and worked committedly to see that the event concluded successfully. Thank you, Jane. Last but not the least, the audience who have registered and logged in from far and wide made this event successful. A big thank you to all of you, and Jai Hind.
And yes, now we are coming to an official end of this program, and it was my pleasure to be a part of this program. So this is me, Anu Treza, signing off from SEAM Awards 2020. Now we have our national anthem, so I request all of you to rise for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे